Here, music was very faint. Yeah. Oh, see, and then I'm still coming through though. So there has to be a way to make the source of Discord be muted. Just do. Sorry, yes, just through Discord. I hear myself though. Yeah, so it's just you'd have to find a way to make Discord a source in the mixer and be able to mute it. I can't hear you because you have yours. Like the microphone is its own like input basically. So I think so. Yeah, I can hear it. If anything, because it's like the beginning, you can even turn that up a little bit. Just like, let's say if it's at 50, put it up like another 10%. Just yeah, that's better. Yeah, yeah. To like switch it, yeah. So we still gotta figure out because my voice is still coming through. So that way we can like still talk before the stream starts. On YouTube, I can't hear you, but my voice is still coming through. All right, let me get a quick bowl in between before we start here. It's pretty dead. Like even volume. Volume so far the highest thing is SUNE. Yeah. With 9 million. Oh sorry. Not is it their volume? Yeah. Sorry, BJDX with 6 million volume. I was looking at market cap. I mixed that up. RPG up, moved up too actually. RPG's got 8 mil. Let me just switch this around, make it easier.
us all tied up here. Alrighty. Good morning. We are ready to rock and roll. Got Jose with me today. Let's see how it goes today, Jose. I don't know. What do you think?
Than yesterday, hopefully, because yesterday was pretty dead. I mean, to be fair, VTAC was moving better than anything right now.
VTAC still moving, huh? Like yesterday?
Compared
It's a
to
dollar.
yesterday, I'd
Oh,
say
okay. It's a dollar. Dollar
that
10.
was VTAC was the best one.
Oh, okay. It's at $1.10 right now. It looks pretty stale though on my level too.
VTAC is pretty dead.
Yeah, is that right now? BJDX on the scanner right now.
Ooh, that just popped up, but it's starting to give it back. It's showing a nice pullback actually with good support.
Let's see what BJDX is doing. Oh yeah, just bounced. Trying to break VWAP here. We'll see. Level
It
2.
keeps rejected it.
Yeah, it rejected a couple
We're at
times.
5 o'clock.
Yeah, let's see 7 a.m. open here in 7 minutes. We'll see what happens.
Seems to be making lower highs.
Yeah. It is on the 5 minute chart. You're looking, and the 1 minute chart
I'm
too.
looking at a 1 minute chart.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, even 5 minute, 15 minute, you can see it just keeps making lower highs. But just now, it's got a lot of
I
volume
think.
coming in right now.
Yeah, I think.
7 o'clock volume probably.
Yeah. I think it's ready to push past here. Something to watch. BGTX. Any news for BGTX this morning? No news. No news on BGTX. It just decided to do its thing.
Diagnostics, medical diagnostics. Let's see. It's going down heavy now.
Oh yeah, it lost the 9.
Oh
It lost
yeah.
the 20. It's curling. Sometimes it does this, It'll go down just before the 7, and then the guys at 7 bring it back up. So
Yeah. Like a nice
let's.
squeeze.
Yeah.
Short squeeze.
Let's see what happens. I'm trying to find one or two good plays today. Hopefully, see how it goes.
Nothing looking crazy right now though. Maybe wait for some 7 a.m. news.
Yeah.
It's pretty dead right now though.
So far, yeah.
But Thursday is kind of crazy, especially after yesterday. Yesterday was
This,
nothing insane.
yeah, this week's just been quiet, man.
Yeah.
I think it will pick up like maybe next week. Let's see.
Gas has started going down.
But there's
Stocks
always
have been
opportunity.
going kind of just sideways right now.
Yeah.
Need some big news, some Elon Musk news or some Trump news, something to get that market moving again.
Yeah. Well, we have this IPO happening tomorrow, or listing on Nasdaq happening
Listing,
tomorrow.
yeah. They're coming up on Nasdaq tomorrow, so
Yeah.
I know a lot of people are getting excited about that, getting pumped up. Hopefully that'll be something to trade. Hopefully we have something coming up here at 7:30, something.
SK Hynix tomorrow should be interesting. The listing.
Give me 1 second, I'll be right back.
Yep. Woo. Yeah, it looks like a BJDX falling here. No good. It looks like this is coming back down to previous day close. Maybe right now it is at the low value area, bouncing off there, as we can see right here on the 5-minute chart. Seems to have crossed that even, and it looks like it's going back to previous day close. Maybe jumps off previous day close, finding support potentially at $1.45. Right now, finding support at $1.50 psychological level. Not much going on today yet. Yeah, it's not holding. 7 a.m. is around the corner here. In 1 minute, let's see if anything pops up on the scanner this morning.
PICS has breaking news.
PICS, KYIV popping up on the scanners here. See what PMA is doing. PMA looking interesting here. Looks like it's about to curl up. Might watch PMA.
Ready.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm looking at PMA.
You ready?
BJDX hasn't done anything, so the thing. Just looking at some of the ones from yesterday.
BBIO popped up on the screen.
What was
Fresh
that?
pullback.
Oh, BBIO? Yeah.
BBIO. Yeah, but this is a $90 stock.
Yeah. Can't really day trade that.
We don't do that. No, those are large caps.
I'm looking at PMA right now, and let's see what's going on here. Ming Shining. It's a Chinese company, I think.
This just came out?
No, it was on. It's on the. I see it on my Mumu scanner.
No, I mean, like, there's no previous history.
No, what did I see?
There's an IPO?
No, there's previous history. There is. It's been around.
It's weird. It's not showing up.
Oh, you don't see a PMA? No,
Yeah, yeah.
that's previous. Yeah, it was like an $8 stock at one point. Then it fell off.
Huh.
Yeah,
Ancient group. Yeah, for me, it's not sure. That's weird. That is strange. My chart, it's only showing today.
interesting. What
Yeah.
what are you using? Well,
On Trade Zero and on
oh wow,
Trading
interesting.
View.
Interesting.
We'll check out BKR here.
Oh, there's your
Yeah,
Soon. You were talking about Soon earlier. Soon just popped up on the
soon just came up again.
Yeah, yeah. It's above VWAP right now. Let's
Oh,
see.
there it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to see some more. It's still a little stale for me on.
It's on resistance right now, around 248 resistance.
Yeah, so above maybe 260.
248, 249. Yeah, there's 247. It's starting to go back down. Yeah, a little fake out right there.
E. It dropped the
It
last time.
already went back more than 50% of that gain right there. It is
I'm liking PMA,
nice
bro.
little trap.
I'm liking PMA right now. It's slowly look at PMA. Are you seeing PMA?
That's crazy. Even on
Yeah,
okay, here we go.
because I like PMA. You
Yeah,
see this value area, the red line on my screen. Yeah, it's above that. I think it's gonna go towards VWAP here, and maybe VWAP it finds some resistance, and VWAP happens to be around $2 area just above it. So I think this is a 15-cent move here. Let's see. There it goes. There it goes. I think it's gonna around $2. We're gonna see some resistance. PMA looking good right now. There we go. There we go. Look at PMA, bro.
yeah, it's really trying to go there.
There,
193,
PMA.
4, 5.
Yep, PMA. There we go. I could just see it up on the thing. It's still got some legs here. I think I want to hit 209 is VWAP. Let's see. That was a little run there from a buck 70 to 196.
Yeah, just bouncing off the 9 EMA there.
Hmm.
Once the 9 EMA crossed over the VWAP,
Hmm.
and starting to big wick there. Oh, that's a nice little pullback. It looks like it really wants to go up.
Yeah, PMA doing its thing.
A lot of
What's
selling.
what's up? What's up? If you are new to the chat, say hi. Don't be shy. Just kind of let us know. Let us know what you're looking at, what you're trading, how long you've been trading. Um, but yeah, and feel free. We have a free Discord. You can come join it. Chartclub.io. We got free trading journal in there too. So sign up. Use the trading journal if that helps you. And yeah, we'll be on here Monday to Friday doing live trading. And yeah, Jose and I are trying to up our trading game and
Yep,
be
definitely.
very, very transparent in the process as well. And then hopefully trade with other like-minded folks. Myself, I trade small caps, large caps, swing trade, day trade. I also do futures, crypto. So I've been around since 2014, um, doing trades. And Jose, you can speak to yourself, like what you're kind
Yeah.
of doing.
I started over in 2018. Uh, went through a little issue, so I had to take a little break. And just came back last year, and I've been trading full time basically. Just
Amazing.
try and improve my skill set and make sure I'm doing what I need to do and manage my risk reward. Every day's a learning day for everybody. We can all learn together. 7 a.m. every day. We're gonna be here Monday to Friday.
That's
So
it. That's it. That's it, bro. Yeah, it is definitely a
really
learning
wants to go.
experience. Well, this thing you PMA wants to go, yeah?
It wants to go. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so, bro.
It's just that was a heavy pullback there.
Yeah, it might pull back a little bit more, but I think it has room to go. You know, I think has room to
It's
go.
got the volume. It's
Yeah,
got a lot of volume there.
SRXH is up on the scanner too. I'm gonna just look where that's that doing. That's above VWAP, looking okay. SRX8, but I'm gonna just watch PMA, and this might be the trade. So if I find a opportunity to enter, maybe. But I feel like this is ready to push past 2 at some point. We might see some friction at 209 VWAP, but once it crosses VWAP, this thing's gonna want to go. You know, if it comes back to like 186 area, I might enter for a small position. Is what I'm
Ready?
thinking. Yeah,
Gonna use that 9 EMA.
yeah, I'm gonna use the 9 EMA. Bingo.
There you go.
As my entry. There it comes. So I'm
Come
trying
back
to
here.
I'm gonna try to enter here.
Okay.
I got my entry at 187. It didn't quite hit it. Let's see if it comes to it. It didn't quite get there. Let's see. I'm not gonna chase. If it gets there, great.
It's gonna go down more.
Oh, oh, it's not letting me trade it. It says this product is currently unavailable due to corporate action. Interesting. I can't even get into the trade.
Oh, you have like a, let me see, PMA.
Yeah, PMA wouldn't let me get in. That's
Yeah. So
you too. Same thing.
yeah, IBKR won't let me,
That's a first.
and
Usually on Mumu I'm good to go, but let me see if I can. Yeah, same
it's
problem.
just not showing. It's not showing anything, any
Well,
information
well,
for.
there goes PMA. That's the first time I've seen that. Trading this product is currently unavailable due to a corporate action. That's wild. I would have entered at 187, but it is what it is. Anyways, no point in looking at something we cannot trade. So on to the
Yeah,
next one.
on IBKR, it's showing its liquidity level is not that high.
Okay, I'm looking at FRTT. Just pulled up on the scanner for technology. FRTT. FRTT. I don't like the level 2. I'm not seeing much movement here. Off SRXH. Pull that up quickly. The first thing I like to do is look at the level 2. If it's spinning, that means there's action. There's opportunity. If it's stale, I'm not really interested. You know, like the time in sales. If it,
SRXH
yeah,
just
the time in
failed.
sales got to be moving. If it ain't moving, then I ain't buying. You know, otherwise you're gonna be stuck.
Yep. Gotta follow the volume basically. You gotta
Yeah,
make sure there's liquidity for you get it in and out.
bingo.
pretty quiet on the charts, to be honest. Like it's slowly growing,
So far, so
but
slow. Yeah.
most of them, anything it's gained is pretty much giving it all back.
Mm. So far, so slow. Let's see what happens here.
LGHL could do a possible bounce here on the 200 EMA.
Yeah, but it's under $1, so I ain't touching it.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
Yeah. So these like fractional share stocks is it's
yeah.
purely a gamble at that
It's
point.
just small caps though, right? So some people might be interested. We don't have to trade it, so we can
That's
still,
true. That's true. That's true.
talk about it and let everybody know. Maybe somebody else wants to trade it.
Yeah, if you guys
Give
want
our
to,
opinion on what we think.
for sure, for sure. Anyone trade crypto in the chat? Drop a comment if you guys are trading crypto as well.
Yeah, any questions in the chat? Any stocks you guys want us to check out? Especially when it's nice and quiet. There isn't anything going crazy, you know? This is the perfect time to ask. Any questions really.
See what happens today. I need something juicy to trade.
Be nice. So,
What you got here? Let me put
SRXH trying to make a move again.
SRSH. Check out the market. Looks like energy sector is doing interesting. I'm gonna quickly look at uh, battle. Nothing there. Okay. I'll back to SRXH. QQQ slightly up. SPY looks slightly down today. Russell is slightly down as well. Gold is also slightly down. Top gainer is SRXH, and EDBL. But EDBL 14-cent stock, no thanks. And PMA we can't trade, unfortunately. Crazy. We got CPI next week on the 14th. Inflation data coming out on the 15th of July next week. So, yeah, let's see. July's typically supposed to be a bullish month, but this year so far it's been kind of wishy-washy, I would say.
It's like once this whole war thing settled down, now everything's starting to like calm down because that was a crazy market we just had.
Oh, big time.
We'd have like three, four stocks going 300%, 1,000% in a day.
Crazy.
Now everything's calming down and it's like the market's just kind of dying out or something. We need more volume and shit.
It looks like
We need to get this stuff popping.
Bitcoin is up today slightly, 62K, about not even a percent, but yeah. Crypto space.
Well, what are your thoughts on Bitcoin? You
What are
think
my
it's
thoughts on
think it's
Bitcoin?
gonna rally back up
I
or
think it will, but not this year. I think this year we're gonna get under 50K, maybe after October, I would say. I think, yeah, Q4, I would see under 50K BTC is my guess. I've been in Bitcoin since 2016. Fortunately, made a lot of money with Bitcoin and
I can
crypto in
imagine?
general.
Yeah,
So I think it's just on its same cycle, and if you've been in crypto long enough, you gotta be used to seeing your portfolio go from, like, example, like 200K, it goes down to like 50, 60K, and then it shoots back up. Now, not all the crypto coins go back up. A lot of them go to zero, and that is what it is. What I have learned trading crypto is stick to the big stuff. Bitcoin, you can maybe DCA, and everything else is just a quick trade. It's either a day trade or a swing trade. None of the other ones you want to hold the bag. You know, I think you got to treat crypto like small caps. You know, uh, Small caps. These are not things you're gonna buy and hold for weeks on end.
Yeah, don't fall in love with it,
don't
basically.
don't fall in love with it. So crypto, same kind of
Yeah,
thing, but Bitcoin in general, I think long term, there's just too much money in it now with institutions, banks, large investment firms, this and that. You
yeah,
got ETFs and things. There's just way too much money into it for it to go to zero.
yeah,
I think it is now being manipulated because of all these other assets and vehicles, and so I think later this year, if you have the money, it's a good opportunity, in my opinion, to get in. And to make it
mhm,
easy, what I do is I just buy it daily. $10 a day keeps the doctor away, and that's it. I've been
yeah,
DCAing Bitcoin since 2018. Daily, $10 a day. It's like buying coffee. Instead, I just make coffee at home, whatever. Or it's like
yeah.
eating lunch. So even today, you can't even get lunch in Toronto for $10.
No, yeah.
So like
Everything's
yeah.
so expensive.
So basically, yeah, $10 a day. And then that's it. And then for me, it's a long term investment. I'll look at it at 2030, and we'll see what happens at that point.
Yeah,
So yeah. So because the way I see it is, maybe you go to Timmy's, you buy coffee and a donut or a bagel, or you go to McDonald's or eat out somewhere. You're gonna spend $10 somewhere. So instead of putting it
yeah,
there, maybe you put it in Bitcoin, let it DCA, let it do its thing, and worry about it in 5, 10 years. Okay, now you got potentially a nice stack of funds, and do what you do from there. But
gotcha, gotcha.
yeah, I also think that the crypto space is no longer the same. What a lot of people got into it to uh, avoid like taxes primarily.
Yeah,
But now you can't do that. You really can't do that. You wanna. It's heavily regulated now, and it's continuously getting more and more regulated across uh, uh, various geographies,
platforms and
yeah,
like regions and everything. Yeah,
various regions, correct? And so I think, like, and it's also, there's been so many scams and this and that. It's got a bad kind of rap, you know.
but definitely with all the
Yeah,
meme coins, all the rug pulls.
all
Oh
sorts of
yeah,
nonsense, right? So it is what it is. But yeah, it is what it is.
yeah. It's an interesting market to be in. That's for sure.
It's fun. I wouldn't say, like, bet your farm on crypto, but definitely,
Yeah,
it is something to be, you know, if you got the money, you want to take some stabs, go for it. Don't bet the
yeah,
farm on it. Spend your time learning stocks. Stocks been around for hundreds of years. It's regulated. You're safe. Crypto, you're your own bank. You lose the money, you're on your own. There's no customer service. So yeah,
yeah,
there's no insurance. There's nothing.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's not crypto is just as the thing about crypto for me
Mm,
is that it's the fluctuation. I like small caps
mm.
because of the fluid, the fluctuation. It
Yeah.
goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Soup like it could go up from, let's say we're looking at PMA right now. It's a $1.88, $1.89.
Yeah.
Next minute it's at $5. We have these moves. Crypto has these moves too. It's just really got that's a different breed to learn how to do that.
Oh,
And I
100%.
respect all the people that can do that because that's another level.
Yeah,
Stocks has just more backing to it, more regulation, like you said, and
for sure.
yeah, if I wish I knew how to trade crypto, and if there's the questions here to learn, if yeah, people have questions here to learn, I guess this is where we come and we can ask you.
Hmm.
You can show us the ropes.
For crypto, for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, S dot is moving. It's at 20. It's moving. It's at 26 right now. This chart updates during live market hours, but right now it's we can see right here on the ticker S dot moving, and I see it up on my scanner too. Popped up on the scanner. Let's actually pull it up on Trading View. See what's going on with S dot.
That's climbing up. It's
Yeah,
got a nice little trend line upwards, starting from yesterday.
yeah. This
It's
thing
on
is
its second
crazy. You know,
day.
this
Like,
thing was this thing a couple Fridays ago was less than $10. Then it shot up to over 40 something. Oh look, actually sorry, over $106. You know, which is wild. If we
it's
go
gone
back here,
insane.
yeah, if we go back here, let me see.
Yeah, look on the daily chart.
Yeah,
It's
absolutely
working its
bonkers.
way.
If you look at this, 106, and it was so June 26th. It was like $2. What the, you know, and then it just actually it went all the way. It was down at around what? Yeah, $2 here.
Actually, looks like it's making a nice on the hourly. It looks like it's making a head and shoulder pattern there. Let's see, 4 hour. Yeah, look at the 4 hour.
Look at
That
PMA.
is a shoulder former.
PMA at $1.96. Too bad we couldn't get into that trade. That was like a fairly easy one. I feel like it's just easy
Yeah, volume
cargo.
started growing it too.
Yeah,
It's weird how there's volume growing, but there's no liquidity.
yeah.
We can't get in.
Some of these Chinese stocks are heavily manipulated. You know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There it goes. PMA 204.
Yeah, I knew it, but unfortunately, we can't trade that stock, you know. And look, right at the VWAP, there's resistance. Eventually, it will get past that VWAP. It's coming soon. I would say after 8 a.m. Maybe before that, but most likely after 8 a.m. You'll see it cross that VWAP. We'll watch it just to watch it, but unfortunately, we cannot trade that stock.
Fortunate.
What else is coming up? You see anything else, bro?
It's nothing, man. Like it's
Yeah,
just
this is
quiet.
really the only stock
Yeah,
moving today.
it's like there's no volume.
Yeah. That's weird. Float says, what's the float on this thing? Oh, okay. Free float, 4.5 million.
I guess we're waiting for 8 a.m. news. Hopefully 7:30 news here in 4 minutes. But
Hopefully, yeah. Let's see how. Let's see
I
what.
think the market is just holding out on us right now.
Yeah.
Anyhow, do you have any long swings you're in that you want to talk about at all?
Yeah, I got Iran. I got ASTS as well. That I
ASTS.
yeah, ASTS and Iron. ASTS at $69 I got the other week. It
Oh,
came
very
back,
nice.
yeah, $69, and then it rode up to like $90.
Yeah.
And then it came back down. I think this is potentially another buying area, but I would be interested maybe around 72, $73, which it did hit yesterday actually, you know. So if you see it, it came down to fill this gap. There's the gap on the chart. It came back down. It filled the gap, and
Mm-hmm.
I think it's gonna. Now that it's filled this gap, I feel like it will pull
Think
back.
it'll break that 77, 78 level.
I think so. Yeah. And the other one, Iron. Iron was a good buy under $40 in my opinion. That happened yesterday. Now it should shot back up. You know. So I feel like today it should run and fill this gap here, which is around $43. We're basically there, and it just got to pop through that. You see here, it gapped up, it came down, filled this gap that was there, fill this gap. Now it should shoot up, fill this gap, and we should be off to the races. So I think next week should be interesting, and some of these kind of large cap swings that I'm in should be okay. The other one I'm in is Palantir PLTR. I got
Mm-hmm.
in at 106. It's now at 129, and same kind of thing here. This is on the 15 minute, so has like this little gap to fill. So we'll see if this looks like on the daily chart. Yeah. So pretty bullish on these, but I'm
Yeah,
I've
looking
had
good so far.
Palantir since under $8. You know.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I've had it since, but I sold a lot of it. Now I have like what I call my runners. Typically, what I do is I'll exit 80% of the position when I'm like up a lot, and then I'll keep like 20% runners. So I still have my 20% runners under $8, and then I rebought some a couple weeks back at 106, and
Okay.
looking for this 106 potentially probably sell near the end of the month. Kind of see what it looks like, depending on news and this kind of stuff, and we'll take it from there. So yeah.
Really good. That chart looks insane
Oh
for
what?
Palantir.
Oh, for Palantir, yeah. Look at this,
Yeah,
straight up. You know,
crazy.
yeah. Reddit's also a good one. I missed this one though. I didn't get into it. My brother got into Reddit. He thinks it's going to be a $300 stock, which it did hit, basically around $300. All time high
Oh,
was just under that. Or what is that? 182, 282. Sorry, 282, 283. So let's see.
that's insane.
I missed this. Yeah, I didn't get into it. I'm not gonna. And now it's like it's too high. Maybe if it gets under a buck 50, maybe I'm interested. Closer under $100, I'd definitely be interested. But at this price point, nah, I'm good. PMA is the only thing that's moving, and yeah, we cannot play that right now. And now it seems to be moving down. Still bullish, I think. But yeah, market in general today is kind
I'm
of
gonna
slow.
break. Ooh, no, it's not. It's a 20 EMA. Some colors here.
See what's going on in the Twitter verse. Cloud having some issues. Oil above 80 a barrel. Okay. Kathy Woods. I don't know how this lady has a fund. She loses so much money, yet she still, she made one big play on Tesla like years ago, and now she got a fund and she's doing her thing. It's wild.
Big fun.
Crazy.
And USO seems to be doing them wrong.
USO is moving, yeah.
Oh, seems like a couple of alerts going through right now.
We got VRAX up on the screen. VRAX.
Holy moly.
VRAX moving here.
Iraq's doing its first pullback right there too.
Hmm.
Yep. First pullback. Now it's on 539.
Bounced off that thing.
571. 58.
Yeah,
Ooh, it
it's
just hit six.
it flew through six.
There it goes.
650. Ooh,
Wow,
seven.
that
What
thing
is
is
this? Wow.
flying. Holy
VRAX.
moly.
Whoa, whoa,
This is
whoa.
what we're waiting for.
We,
Jeez.
we missed that. I saw it quickly pop up, but I'm like, what the fuck was this, man? Crazy.
That was insane.
Jesus. Pre-market high
It's giving a lot of
747.
it back there right now.
Boosh. VRAX. Anybody catch VRAX? My goodness.
Holy moly, that thing soared.
Bro, you trying to play this bounce off the VWAP or not? Too risky.
That candle wick at the
Oh,
top is a lot.
yeah, it is. What you think it shoots back down
That's,
to the 9? To the 20 maybe?
it's holding right there.
It's holding the VWAP
It's
right now.
holding 5.7. That $0.25, holding between $0.25 there to the full dollar.
Hey,
Looks like it wants to pop again.
let's see what happens with VRAX here, folks.
I'm not playing this,
It's too
but
risky, yeah.
there is potential there. But that candle wick there at the top is very scary. Because if you got in that wick and look, oh, it's coming. This is why I don't like the chase personally. I
Oh, there
look
it
for
goes.
that first
Look at this.
dip
Yeah,
would have been perfect.
yeah, look at this. Now it's
That
gonna
candle
sell.
wick at the bottom
It's
support
about to
was
sell
perfect,
off.
but that oh,
Man, this is getting we're getting some action here, folks.
now we're getting 560s now.
Yeah. Let's see where the
Oh,
big sell
back in
orders
the
are.
70s.
No large orders. Sell off at 6. Got breaking news on LTRX.
Volume just exploded instantly though.
LTRX breaking news. Check what's going on with LTRX real quick. Don't see much on the chart on LTRX. VRAX.
It actually looks like it's trying to squeeze for a nice little bounce again.
Yeah, I feel like it. I feel like it, bro. That was it.
There it goes.
That
There it
was it.
goes. As I said it.
Yeah, there it goes.
There it goes exactly as I said
Yeah,
it.
well,
Wow.
perfect. There goes VRAX, folks. If you got in, good job. I did. I was trying to get in at 5.7. I was too slow, and it just moved. As soon as you said it, I was gonna put in a small order, and it just moved on me.
It popped instantly as I
Yeah,
said.
but look, like this is a weak pop though. Look, I don't know. This
Yeah,
is
it's
like,
trying to selling off heavy.
yeah, Jesus, VRAX.
This buying pressure's coming back in though, so
Hey,
let's see. Looking at what was this? A 636 resistance.
all eyes on VRAX right now, folks. We are looking at VRAX.
It's holding the dollar. They're at 606,
Yeah,
six
it's ready to
615.
go. It's ready to go here.
It's trying to go again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. It's
volume
it's
coming in.
it is printing higher highs. After that wick, the last three.
Ooh,
Let's see.
5.8. Yeah, it's starting up.
Yeah,
Let's do this. This is where the whole market is right now. So this has to be the one for now.
yeah.
Unless we get some waiting till 8 o'clock news.
I feel like you're ready to go here, VRAX. E.
Very indecisive
That
right there.
that was it, man. I feel like that could have been the entry under 6, 5,
It's still early. It's still early. It's just, this thing
5.
just popped off here at 7:30, like on the dot. What news is this? What we should be? What news do we have here? I'm looking up on it here.
The news. Yeah,
Virax Biolabs group shares are trading higher after the company announced its subsidiary, Virax Biolabs, entered into an exclusive multi-country commercial supply agreement with Fosun Diagnostics for Immune Select Research Use Immune Profiling product line. That
whole
just came out a minute ago.
whole bunch of
So that,
gibberish. It moved the
yeah,
stock though,
basically they came out with a subsidiary, so a smaller company to theirs.
and it's moving because of it. I feel like it's ready to go here, man. That
Oh,
570
they
would have
got a
been there. It
supply.
goes.
Okay,
There it goes, man. Come on, VRAX, folks. You got in good work.
650. Holy moly!
VRAX, man.
Yeah, second pullback there.
This is that 650 psychological level. Gonna get some resistance here, and then we should see either a flush down or a push up. So let's see. We got that fight happening. A real fight at 650.
Looking at the daily chart here.
This is really a 50-50. You can get at 650 and keep your stop loss
It
short.
looks like it has momentum,
It'd be
like
tight.
for a little pump here.
Yeah, I feel like it
I'm
ain't.
looking at the MACD over on the daily chart
Yeah,
on Trading View, and it's showing how it's going from pink. It's trying to squeeze up to green again.
I think it wants to go.
If you do look at it on the daily, though, you can
There,
tell that
there,
this
there. It wants to go. You see? Pop.
man, this
Pop.
thing is going.
God.
This thing is going.
VRAX. Who
Oh,
who got into
new high.
VRAX, man?
New
Oh
high of
my
the
God.
day at
Oh my
791.
God. 8. It's past 8, bro. 8.
Oh, there it
Oh
goes.
my goodness.
812.
High day 824.
Holy moly.
God. Almost 8 and a quarter.
Oh yeah, 826 almost.
Yeah. My goodness. I
Jeez.
crazy, crazy. VRAX. If you got into VRAX, good work.
Good work. Legit. Yeah.
Yeah. I couldn't get it, and like, as soon as you said it, it moved. After
It's
that,
like
after that,
literally as
yeah,
oh, it's looking like we're a squeeze, and kaboom, that thing went.
it flew, bro.
That was actually insane.
I couldn't. I tried.
Yeah, see, I like those little first squeeze pullbacks like that. That looks was textbook right there, basically.
Yeah, now we gotta have to wait.
But man,
Now,
that
now it looks bearish to me. Now it's gonna come down. Now I think this is
got
overextended now.
space to go to 650. Yeah, around
I
650.
feel like it's gonna come back to VWAP soon. I don't see this pushing now. I think it's gonna. Let's see. Maybe I'm wrong, but I would like to think it comes back to the VWAP area, 620, 650 area. Yeah. Let's see. Depends on this next candle what happens.
What a move.
Crazy move.
Just what we were asking for.
Crazy move.
Not much else is going crazy like this. Well, let's hope that this is just the beginning and we've got a couple more.
Crazy
We still
move.
got 20, just under 20 minutes for the next 8 o'clock move, or 8 o'clock news. Hopefully
Crazy.
something will pump out.
Crazy move.
Get another one of these. 131%.
Crazy. Yeah, it looks bearish now, bro. I don't see it. Pop in here. Let's see.
Oh, excuse me for a minute. I'll be right back.
Yeah. think we get back to VWAP here, 630, 640 level on VRAX, then potentially a push further down. This might be something to look at today. No Sarah, nothing happening there. VRAX we're watching. Yeah, I could see VRAX come back to VWAP here. Maybe a bounce off the 9 EMA first. There's that bounce off the 9 EMA. We need to see this candle push higher. If not, we're going to see lower action. VRAX seems to be the only thing on the agenda right now.
Sorry about that. I'm back.
You're good.
Ooh, VRAX looking like a good bounce here on VWAP. Or sorry, E9 EMA.
Mm-hmm.
Just touched it and did a little bounce there.
Yeah, that
Bounce off
bounce.
7.
But I feel like it's gonna weak. I think it's
Yeah.
gonna come back to VWAP soon. It's gonna. It looks weak to me.
Goes 741. 753. Doesn't add 750 rejection.
FTK has breaking news.
Still nothing else. We got less than 15 minutes to 8 o'clock.
FDK popping up on the scanner here, but it's trading a little high, $23. crazy. Okay, let's see VWAP. Let's see VRAX doing anything. Man, I really annoyed I missed that entry. As soon as you said, I was literally typing it in 570, and I was too slow, and like it just moved way too quick.
Does that was a good question actually. How's Mumu for hotkeys?
Yeah,
Hotkeys?
actually, I have a hotkey setup. I don't know what do you call it. Like I have a separate hotkey thingamajig here. I don't know if you can see it.
Like a stream deck.
Yeah, but
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It'd be like a stream deck basically.
kind of like a Stream Deck. I have a Stream Deck too, but I find this
Okay.
is better for Stream Deck. The buttons are a little bit they feel weird, whereas this operates
Really?
more like a keyboard. So it's like
Oh, okay.
yeah, it's you can click on it and it's much more, I guess, intuitive. You get better response.
Yeah, yeah.
So I got one of these set
I
up,
got so
and it's connected to Mumu. You know, so
okay. That's cool.
it's good to get in and out orders quick.
Uh-huh.
What you can't do on it though is you can't type in, let's say, the exact, because the one problem with pre-market trading is it's all limit orders,
Yeah.
right? So it
So
does.
for me on what I've been doing is I'll limit orders for pre-market I do on the bid.
Okay,
So that way it's not I don't have to type no numbers.
got you. You're
That is
just
like
typing in right on the bid. Yeah.
and then depending on what brokerage you're with, you can also adjust it to offset between like a penny, 2 pennies, like you can customize it, a dollar, whatever you want.
Mm,
So it'll go between that range and it'll like if you execute that order, that
yeah.
limit order at let's say the bid, it'll offset whatever you customized it to, whether it's 10 cents, 2 pennies,
Yeah. Yeah.
whatever it
I can
is.
do it on the bid too. I have it set up on the bid. You know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's because I found yeah. In the beginning when I first started, I was typing stuff out. I'm like, man, this gotta be a because
faster way. Yeah.
me my through my leisure time, I like the video game. So when I do that, it's the same thing as you have keybinds to make things
Mm,
just faster, right?
yeah.
So I was wondering if there was the same thing. So there's this got to be like, for example, on Trade Zero, Trade
Yeah.
Zero's got something called a hotkey deck,
Okay.
and it's got its own widget. So
For
the way
that.
you have your setup,
Yeah.
and you could see you have every window. There's a little window where you can customize it, and it'll be exactly what you have on your as a physical your physical little
Keyboard. Yeah.
we'll call it a stream extra like
So it's
keyboard
called
extra
the macro
stream
pad. I just looked it up, so I wasn't
macro
sure.
pad. Okay,
Macro
gotcha,
pad. Yeah,
gotcha.
yeah. So it's called macro pad.
Yeah,
Mechanical macro pad. So the one I have has 16 keys. It has a couple
okay.
knobs too. The knobs you can.
I've seen the knobs. Yeah.
Yeah. So with the knobs you can change the price if you want to fine tune. Like
Oh, that's cool.
yeah. So it can do. But I can plug this into I can hotkey it to whatever I want technically.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You can macro it to everything. That's really cool.
Yeah.
So that's something we can add in as a spec
Yeah.
for like people that are ever wondering, like, hey man, how
Yeah.
do you trade and
Yeah,
where your
we can make a
setups
video
are?
on it sometime. I'm happy to
Yeah,
go through
yeah,
it.
that'd
Yeah,
be yeah, definitely,
yeah,
because
definitely.
that's cool. So what I did is Costco actually has a monitor
Uh,
that's a touchscreen monitor.
uh.
$100, easy peasy. It's
Oh, touchscreen
16
monitor,
inch
Costco.
touchscreen monitor. Yeah. So exactly the same way you have, I haven't done it yet, but I'm trying to
Set it
create
up.
a
Yeah.
macro like little
Hockey. Boom,
application
boom.
and just have it so I can just touch screen whenever I want.
Yeah, that'd be sick. That's wild. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
while
in a
we're
way
talking, it
I
looks
need
like
to buy another one.
hour popped up on the screener here, but it's not looking too good with that one. So I'm gonna stay away from that. VRAX seems to be still the thing, but VRAX is looking weak, like I said earlier. I believe it'll come back to VWAP, which I mentioned a little while ago. So I think it comes
It's
back
in a
to the
little
VWAP.
channel right now. It looks like
Mm-hmm.
it's trying to squeeze again
It's trying to fight it.
on a wider range. Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't think so. I think it's going to come back to VWAP.
much else in the land of stocks here. ENVX did a nice little move, 15% up on the day. Coming down to VWAP now. Oh, and there goes VRAX. Let's go on the downside now. Oh, volume coming in right now for VRAX.
Yeah, let's see, bro. You think it's gonna hold this 9?
I'd have to see on the MACD, I'd have to see a nice pink show up, pink candle. I'm not seeing that yet. Sellers,
You're on what? The daily chart?
a minute.
The minute chart, okay. Yeah, I feel like it's bearish, bro. I think it's gonna come down to VWAPs soon.
See, VWAP keeps coming up though. More like VWAP's coming up to the range of where it's holding at the $7 mark.
Yeah.
It's curling. You can see it's curl, but it looks like it's curling, and it's either gonna bounce or 9 EMA is gonna cross VWAP, and we're gonna see this thing drop.
Mm.
See 705 prints, 704, 703. Yeah, a lot of selling.
Yeah. So I'd be interested on a VWAP bounce maybe, but I think
If it cracks that VWAP, though, we're gonna
yeah,
see.
some action.
Gonna see. Gonna see the shorts coming in. Shorts coming in and making their money this time, because anybody that was in on that square, those two little pullbacks right there. Oh my goodness.
They made their money.
Yes, they did.
Yeah.
Because I don't know, I called it at 580,
Yeah, you did.
570.
You did. That's when I was gonna try to get in. I couldn't. Oh man.
Oh my God.
To be honest, I haven't been
Flew up
using
to
my macro pad much.
826.
I need to
Oh my God.
reconfigure it so I can use it. It's kind of on my offhand, which is the left hand. I got to reposition it to my right hand so it's easier to get in and out. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I will do.
What a call. That was a beautiful call. Oh, there's that first pink candle on the MACD. This is what I wanted to see. So it might bounce here. And like I was saying, the VWAP was curling up to the range of the $7 mark. It's sitting at 680.
You think you can bounce here, huh?
I,
Let's.
it, it, it's looking like it wants to bounce here. And to be honest, the way the market's looking with nothing else really popping, this is where all the volume is.
RSI is high though. It's at 69.70. Yeah, the market's just watching VRAX. Everybody seems to be watching VRAX right now. There we go.
739.
There we go, bro.
There goes 750. 750 is like a resistance though. So it has to break that 750 mark
Yeah.
for it to look like it's gonna go back up to 8 something. If it even holds 8.
Let's see.
Buyers are still here.
Yeah, you got the 9 and the 20 above the VWAP, so that's bullish.
For
But
me, personally, like I said before, I don't chase. This has already done the move. When I said was that was the spot to enter right
correct,
there.
correct.
That
Yeah,
was phenomenal.
yeah. Now it's Now it's like, you get in this, you're just fingers crossed and see what happens.
Yeah, this
you
is
know.
just hopeful chasing right
Yeah,
now.
now I don't. I still think it's bearish, but
Yeah.
let's see.
See, you can make there's little moves to make if you're a day trader, right?
There
You
are
got
there
those
are
little
moves to make if
five,
you're
ten dollar move,
if you can
five,
get
ten
in and
cent
out.
moves.
Yeah, if you can get out in
Yeah,
and out real quick, sure. You're hyper scalping at that point. Like, you know, as long as you're not getting eaten up by fees too, broker fees, right?
that's why I like IBKR.
Yeah,
IBKR is one of the main reasons. Paying like 26 cents on commission fees, so it's like nothing.
it's cheap. Yeah,
It's very cheap, especially if you're making scalps. 10 cent scalps in like 30 seconds. Can't complain.
can't
Those
complain. Yeah,
you it does those 10 cent moves don't eat up your 26 cent commission.
no, man, this thing is trying to figure out which way it wants to go. It's just been
Yeah.
stuck on this nine. You know, stuck on nine.
See, the issue sometimes this is where it's kind of a trap because
Yeah.
this is where people start getting in like this is the move. This is the move. And
Sometimes
I
though,
ended up saying this from
this
experience.
is maybe it could be consolidation for next leg up potentially.
Yeah.
So let's see.
In terms of small caps over $1, this is the move right now. VRAX. I don't
Yeah,
see anything else.
yeah.
Trying to drop here. Yeah, just a little channel here. See if I can make something. It's squeezing.
It's squeezing.
It looks like it's squeezing. Yeah. Squeezing kind of like a flat bottom. Just- what would be lovely to see is if it was making at least higher lows,
Mm.
but it's not. It's got a support here. Its support for me is sitting at 705 right now.
There you go, bro. I feel like, oh man,
CYRN has breaking news. COPR has breaking
we
news.
got some news coming here at 8.
WANDMORE
Oh,
has
here we go,
breaking
8
news.
o'clock.
Lots of
Let's
news.
pop now.
STB has breaking news. SVCANDMORE has breaking news. ILPTANDMORE has breaking news.
Lots of news coming in.
SEVNANDMORE has breaking news.
Lots of news coming in.
DHCANDMORE has breaking news.
EVTV, copper. I'm gonna quickly check those.
Yep.
EVTV took a hit, and COPR. Let's see. COPR looks dead.
Intel making up way
There it
back
goes.
up. I like that.
VRAX broke the 9 now, bro. It's heading down. I think coming back down towards that VWAP. I'm pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna lose here. It will eventually get back under $7, in my
Man, we
opinion.
don't want to see the 90 EMA cross over the VWAP because that's when it starts to just drop.
Heavy, yeah.
ETH popped up here. Popped up about $1.75 all the way to 242 and just giving it all back.
Looking for something to trade, but so far I don't know. Looks like VRAX wants to pop. Yeah,
PJDX
yeah,
looking
it's
like it's
ready to go. VRAX is ready to go. VRAX wants to go,
there goes VRAX, broke the trend line there.
and it came right back down.
Yeah. To hold here at 732 roughly. It holds 730s.
ZSTK has breaking news.
VRAX, bro. Got TDH, EVTV. We looked at earlier. I'm gonna quickly look at TDTH.
That's the one that I was just looking at.
Oh yeah, interesting.
Yeah. It basically just gave everything back, but it's trying to hold.
Yeah, it's trying to hold. I might be interested in this. Let's see. But under VWAP, it's always interesting. TDTH might be good here. TDTH, folks. TDTH. Oh. Needs to hold above VWAP. Then it gets interesting. VRAX up over 8 now. Look at VRAX, bro. My goodness.
Jeez, there it goes.
There it goes. VRAX is the play today, folks. That was it, you know? That
Yeah.
consolidation pop. I thought it was going to come back under. That was the entry, though. And it just
So
ripped.
if you see from the top of the first red candle
Yeah.
to the last red candle before the pop,
Yeah.
that was a trend line that I made, and as soon as it crossed that, it held that as support basically.
Yeah, basically.
It
Yeah.
bounced right off that.
Yeah. I see it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Right from here down.
Yeah. What a bounce.
It would have been a good entry off the 20 EMA, which is like, it was like around $7. So a
We're
couple.
actually looking like the only promising thing today so far.
Yeah. We missed it, but it's
Does it
okay.
have room? Does it have room to go more? That's the question.
Maybe. I feel
I
like.
called it. I also said it was going to hold that $7 mark.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. I was
There it
thinking
goes, sitting at
come back
8.
down.
Oh my god. That is what a play.
VRAX.
For anybody that made that, congratulations, because
That's a
that's a
good
good
one.
move.
Yeah, that's a
We're
good move.
sitting at 154% on the day.
Yeah, it's the play of the day today.
825, and it broke its high a day.
Yeah, pre-market high is 836 right now. It might pass
Yeah,
that.
we were sitting before at like 725,
Yeah,
726.
yeah,
Or sorry, 825, 826.
yeah.
And now we're
VRAX. Crazy.
so we can make these calls, just got to get better at our executions, that's all.
That's it. That's it. Just a little slow today. Missed the
Yeah, we
exits.
were waiting and waiting, man. That's the thing.
It's okay.
Sometimes, to be fair, it's not like I'm not too angry at myself because that, like I said, that
Hey, you
first
didn't lose any
week,
money, right? So it's okay.
that it's all learning process. Every day is a
Yeah,
learning. If we don't trade, at least we're learning.
yeah, yeah.
We come here, we show up, and at least we're here. That's the important part, to be here, showing up every day.
So Mister,
I try and tell people, you're gonna get what you put into it, right? If you don't put anything in,
100%.
it's not just gonna fall into your lap. You gotta
100%.
show up. You gotta do
If
your due diligence.
EVTV now above VWAP, let's see. EVTV. Uh, but EVTV ain't doing much right here.
Don't think it has the volume. It's the only thing. That red candle is crazy. Iraq stuff. Holy moly.
That was the play of the day, bro.
Yeah. I mean, to be fair, we're still in pre-market, right?
Yeah.
Pre-market for those that like to trade after open.
Mm. It's still
We still
early.
got lots of time.
We got lots of
Lots
time.
of time.
Lots of time.
Yeah. See, the thing is, for me, I've realized that it seems since the States, because here we're here in Canada, it
Yeah.
seems like in the States, ever since they removed the PDT rule, everybody had that is a trader, like OG traders or your regular traders, have gone into pre-market.
Yeah, cause well,
Everybody's trying to make their gains before the open, and
mm,
then maybe some stick around if there's anything to continue, and then
right.
everybody kind of just you see the volume. It's been dying off through the day. Where before from 9:30 to like at least 1 o'clock, you'd still see, or even 11, 9:30. That's the one is kind of extending it, but 9:30 to 11, you'd see everybody still in. Now, by 9:30, everybody's made their money and they're gone. So this is this is why I've transitioned to pre-market. Pre-market is the move.
Pre-market, there's a lot of opportunity. You know.
Oh yeah. And like Ross Cameron likes to say, because he's one of the guys that I did learn from. He it's exactly like he says. The whole move in the pre-market, you don't have to worry about halts. It could do that $1, $2 move, and you
Mm,
can catch it.
mm,
It has that fluidity where when we get caught in halts, you don't know if it's gonna go back down or continue its way up. Sometimes you could tell, it's got its momentum, but sometimes that give back, look at Virac right now,
yeah.
down to
It's
786.
it's gonna try to hold the 9. Maybe not though. Let's see.
At pre-market, I recommend pre-market.
Well, if you're working too, right? You can get in a trade or two, and then you
Yep,
go to your your day
go
job,
to your day
whatever,
job.
and you're
Yeah,
good.
your nine
You
to
know.
five.
Yeah.
This is yeah. You do a little trading in the morning.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah. You don't need a crazy setup like me and you have, but
no,
it's
no,
gonna,
definitely
yeah.
not.
You can do it from your phone too. You know.
Yeah, from your
And
phone, from a laptop, from
yeah,
your tablet.
whatever. Yeah.
They've made trading. They make it easier and easier every
Yeah.
year.
Well, it kind of is gambling at some point.
Oh
Some
yeah,
aspect.
this is definitely. I
Yeah.
would never tell anybody this is not gambling. This is
Yeah.
educated gambling, though.
Yeah.
I
The
like to
small
tell
caps
it.
for sure. There's
If
definitely.
you're throwing your money, which you should not be doing, you should be listening and learning
Yeah.
before you. I do not recommend people just throw money into the market.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you are, at least do some paper trading. You're not gonna hurt yourself,
Yeah.
And it's a learning lesson. It's a life lesson.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're not gonna get that rush. You're not gonna get that fear of, oh no, it's going down. But this is where, like I said, educated gambling. You got to do your due diligence. You got to do your risk reward management.
Mm.
Make sure you're not just throwing money and like, oh, it's going down, it's going down, whatever. I'm going down with the ship, I guess. No, gotta learn to cut your losses quickly. Manage risk. Manage what you're gonna risk. risk that 10 cent for that 20 cent, that 2 to 1, or that 10 cent for that 30 cent, that 3 to 1.
That's really it. Yeah. It
But
looks
if you're
like.
risking $10, or risking that 10 cents,
Huh.
and you get out, you shouldn't be mad at yourself. You shouldn't be upset because you're
Okay.
managing your risk.
Yeah. You gotta take some
That's a
risks.
good trade. It's a good trade though. You managed it. I say if you lost and you hit your 10 cent mark, that's still a good trade.
Mm-hmm.
It's still good. Yeah, sure, you lost it, but you managed it instead of watching it plummet and get bigger and bigger.
Yeah. So it looks like VRAX is bouncing off this 20 now on the 1 minute.
That's what I
It
see.
had a huge sell off there. You know.
It is. It's making higher lows, right? And it's got a nice trend line upwards.
Yeah. Just trying to see what else is popping up on news here. That was the news earlier from VRAX. Interesting. Okay. Okay, we got PMA, but PMA we can't trade. That came back on the. Okay, we have ZSTK up on the scanner here. ZSTK. VRAX another bounce off the 20, and I'm looking at ZSTK right now. ZSTK looks interesting. VRAX back up over 8. ZXTK with some news. Pharmaceutical.
Climb its way back up. Oh, thank you. Yeah, there it goes. The volume's just in it in VRAX. There goes VRAX. 836, 840. Trying to break its there.
That was
Oh,
another
broke
entry
its
there.
new high.
New high, yeah.
867, 857. Oh my
867.
goodness.
VRAX is getting all the volume today.
Oh my.
Ooh, ZSTK, look at that. My goodness. It just got slapped. Look at, oh my god. It's just getting slapped. Oh my goodness. Look at that. $2. Oh my god, two. God. The
Holy
big.
moly. Yeah,
Oh my,
that's
oh my god. That,
scary. What a scary candle that is.
jeez.
Holy moly.
Hey. You can take a gamble here, folks, if you
That
want.
thing went from what?
Jeez.
343 down to 284.
Off one candle. Boop. Yeah.
Yeah, it actually was even lower. What did that work at? 279.
Hmm.
Yeah,
QMCO has breaking news.
definitely not it. VRAX though. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna send you a little screenshot. You can see exactly what I'm looking at, what I've done here. See the trend lines I've made there?
AEC has breaking news.
That is just crazy.
Crazy. Not really seeing much right now.
Actually, it should look more like this.
If your access to play today, for those who got in, congratulations.
Just that looks perfect. That looks crazy. All I had first
Mm,
was the downward trend and the flat line, and it broke that downward trend
XUANDMORE has
and it
breaking
just
news.
exploded. And then after it popped that the downward one, I popped the red upwards,
yeah,
and yeah, it's just following this. It's following the trend line upwards. It's just perfect. This is perfect. I wish I would have got in on when I said to get it. That was so good.
we missed
What
it.
did I call it at too? I called it at like 570. 570. We're sitting at 868,
Yeah, it would
856
have been a
now.
nice dollar move. Actually, it got up to 920 here. What the hell, pre-market?
Yeah.
Wow. Although I don't know if you're holding till 920, but you definitely would
So
have
like
caught like
I
50
do kind
cents
of
a
the way
buck.
you do,
Oh,
where you hold your 80%.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So what I like to do is I'll get in
You mean
and
hold the 20,
sometimes
sell 80, hold 20.
I'll hold I'll usually sell 50%
Oh,
and then
okay,
I'll
gotcha.
trail back and then I'll average up
Got it.
and then I'll slowly start trailing down like so buy a couple more, sell a couple more, buy a couple more, so just follow it because this is literally if you follow the trend line there that I
Yeah,
have, you could see just get in and out, in and out. That little channel that I said it was squeezing in, that 5 cent, 10 cent move, they it was perfect. Great calls, no executions.
that's okay.
There's always tomorrow. There's always another one. That's what I keep saying though. We're not even in. We're still in pre-market. The market hasn't even
It's
opened.
still early.
So early. We were waiting though. It was kind of dead. It was dead for like an hour.
Man, what a wick. RKTO. I'm gonna quickly pull up RKTO. It looks like Rocket One is getting some rocket fuel.
Oh,
Okay,
I've got marks on this actually. So it's got a resistance here at 91,
I might be interested in
91.63. Oh,
Rocket
there it broke. It
RKT.
broke it.
I might be interested in a small position Rocket One just to see, just to see.
I also do recommend be careful because it doesn't have a lot of volume yet. It's only got 418K volume for the day so far.
Yeah,
So just fluidity. Its liquidity isn't 100% there, but it is making a move.
it is me. I feel like it can get up above a buck. You know,
Let's see at the daily chart here. See previous history.
what do you see?
Take a look at the daily chart. You'll see this thing has been just down and down and down.
ZSTK is up on there too.
STK is not on my chart. So let me see here. See here.
ZSTK. That's the one
STK.
that had that
That was the one that
crazy.
was. Yeah, no. We don't want to look at that.
Yeah, yeah. That one we stay away.
That is definitely what we don't want to look at.
Okay, let's watch Rocket RKTO. I feel like, I,
RKTO.
yeah,
On the day, RKTO is looking good.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
On the daily,
There it goes.
no,
I think this
no.
gets up above a dollar here, bro.
Oh, is it breaking its high of the day? 98 is its highest day, so it's looking at resistance here.
There it goes.
Let's see here.
Needs to get up above a buck and stay there. Let's see. Let's see if we can do it. People are trying to push RKTO.
Yeah, it broke its 98, hit 99, and it's just indecisive right there. VRAX doing? Let's see. Quick little peek. Little peek. Actually, let me add this here.
There we go. Above a buck. I just felt
There it
like it's
goes. Yeah.
when they're so close to a buck, like 90 cents. I feel like it
It
should
doesn't
push
want to
above.
hold though, you know?
Yeah, it doesn't
It's
want to,
just, it's,
but maybe it will push up here. Let's see.
oof.
Let's
I don't
see.
know.
You don't know? Let's see.
We want more volume. Volume's starting to pour in though. We were sitting at 400K like a minute ago. We're sitting at a million.
Yeah.
Sitting at 2 mil now. This thing is, yeah, volume's starting to come in. It's climbing up on the chart for my scanners too. It's starting to give it back. VWAP sitting at 94. Could be a possible pullback entry sitting at 94.
Off this
Go bring it
VWAP
down
bounce, right?
there.
You liking that? Off
Yeah,
the
off the VWAP. I That's the second pullback. It dipped before its first pullback dipped below VWAP, so it could go either way.
yeah.
Trade Zero is just lagging for some reason. What's happening with Trade Zero today?
You like it overall though, eh? And it's great for shorting. Yeah.
For shorting is with me and my friends that recommended Trade Zero. Yeah, this is great for shorting. For longs, executions are not as great.
Yeah, I got you.
But what you get
Look. Let's
as
see.
in
There it goes. There it goes,
102,
bro. Let's see if it pushes
it's
here.
just it's not pushing enough, you know?
Yeah, it's not pushing enough.
102.
It needs to push
Yeah.
like 5, 10 cents. It's moving
Yeah,
like
exactly. We're not even talking 10 cents here.
yeah, it's a couple cents.
95 to,
Yeah,
yeah, there it goes. 104. Excuse
yeah.
me. Ugh.
Would have been a 10 cent move. I was looking at 95 cents to get in. I don't know why I did. Shouldn't have got in. But it's okay.
It hit 105.
It did. Yeah, it would have been a 10 cent move.
It did what you did right there, like little VWAP bounce.
Yep.
Starting to come back.
I think this has room to go. We're still early. It's only 8:24 in the morning. Let's see. You know.
Go back, say a month. A month ago, this thing was sitting at $1.99.
Oh, all
So,
right. Damn.
yeah, go back 3 months. It
Can't
has
even,
a high of 277.
you can't even get coffee
It's
for a
just been
buck
trailing down.
99 these days.
Oh, you'd have to go to McDonald's get the dollar deal now.
Oh, they have that?
Summer dollar deals. Yeah,
I'm,
yeah, yeah.
I haven't been
In the
inside a
summertime,
McDonald's
McDonald's always has that.
in a long time. Interesting.
Oh, got one right close by. My son loves his chicken nuggets and fries.
Mm. Okay. There's a push up, bro.
105, yeah. 6.
RKTO.
What is happening with Trade Zero? Go refresh. VRAX looking like it wants to do a bounce off VWAP as well.
It's losing some steam, yeah, from earlier.
Definitely losing its steam because it looks like a lot of people are moving over to RKTO. RKTO is sitting at a $6 million, 6 million share volume right now. It's just growing. It was sitting at the bottom. It's not sitting number 4 on my list. VRAX sitting at number 1, because that thing just exploded.
VRAX.
Yeah, VRAX is just what a move. We were waiting for it, and there it went. That was so good. It was so good.
Let me do this.
See RPGL doing. RPGL is not doing much. On GHL, it's penny stock. No bueno. There goes our QTO down to the downside. the VWAP. Ooh, breaking VWAP. We want to see a wick for some support, and no, it's starting to fade. Very bearish engulfing candle there. That is no bueno.
No bueno.
Here we go. No bueno.
RPGL has a lot of volume though.
Yeah, RPGL sitting at 7.5 mil.
Well,
RKTO just working its way down, trying to find a support level here at 98.
VRAX losing. You need an entry.
Oh, what's happening?
Sorry, not
Yeah,
VRAX. RKTO.
popped up. Oh, that's
What
not
popped
good.
up?
Sorry, I was looking at a different chart or a different scanner. My watch just popped up. I don't know why. Should be on
Ooh,
scanner, not watch
RKTO getting
list.
beaten up here.
There it goes. If it breaks 94, 95, then this thing is going down 91, down to 88.
What were you looking at?
RKTO. I'm saying it's just dropping. It's
Oh, it
got a
is
support
dropping.
level at 90, 94, 95. It just broke 95.
Yeah,
It's about to break 94. There
I'm
goes 94, 93.75.
looking at 92. I'm interested at 92, but I don't know if it will
I
hold.
see.
Maybe 90.
93.65 is really its support level there.
Need to jump into something, bro. Let's see.
Yeah, we can't always rush it too, though, right?
That's true.
Once we start that FOMO hits, that's when we start making those bad trades.
Yeah,
has
100%.
breaking news. VIA has breaking news.
Need a clear entry. Okay, we got some news coming up here. The 8:30.
8:30 came out. Yeah, let's see.
TRNR.
Yeah,
Investor deck. I don't see. Okay, QNRX maybe. Ooh, okay, but
pharmaceutical company. All right, that thing is going.
we got some time and sales coming in. But
Let's see what's the news on it.
QNRX, we're starting to get some activity on it. Not enough movement from TRNR. I'm gonna go back and check that one. TRNR. Oof. TRNR getting rocked. Let's see if it gets bought back up though.
Erax just being really the only play of the day so far.
Yeah. RKTO didn't do shit, huh?
Nah, KT, I mean it's trying.
It's trying, but
Looks
it's
like it's
not making
rejecting,
big enough
it's
moves, right?
rejecting VWAP right now.
Yeah,
Oh, it broke VWAP. Let's see if it holds.
it's trying.
Trying, but a lot of sellers.
We got NWTG. No, thank you.
TRNR looking like it's trying to do a bounce here.
Yeah, I'm looking at that one too.
There it goes.
You trying to do this bounce off the 9?
TRNR, no, that's way too big of a candle. It's already given 50%, more than 50% of its
Yeah.
first candle. Then yeah, I can't. That's very bullish. Or sorry, very bearish.
Yeah. Oh my God, it got
Yeah,
rocked.
yeah, yeah. It's just plummeting now. Three from 315 to 302.
Let's see if it
Yeah,
holds
no,
3.
that
Couldn't hold 3. Oh my God, it got rocked.
yeah, like I said,
Yeah.
it just gave on that second candle just gave
Too
more than
much back.
50%.
Yeah, too much back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. If it bounced off to 50% and it kept and it could trail back up, then sure, it could be possible entry. But you'd need more of a bullish engulfing candle in order to be able to beat the previous one. That's so much sell off right there.
Let's see.
Trying to hold a $3.
It's trying to hold the $3. Yeah.
Burex look like it's trying to do another little squeeze.
Oh, is it?
Looks like it. Let's see if I can do this. Show you exactly what this. That's support. Yeah.
It looks like, yeah. It looks like it wants to do another squeeze up actually. VRAX. And yeah. There it goes. It's trying. It's trying to make another leg up.
Really
There,
just
there it
sent
goes,
you a
bro.
screenshot. You can see exactly what I'm drawing. I already drew it. Yeah. And it's if it breaks that trend line, that green trend line that I got,
Yeah.
then another move up. At least up to like around it could go up to 9. Back up to 9. 9 is where it's showing resistance.
Crazy.
Okay.
Oh, I see what you're looking at. Ooh,
If it breaks $8 on the downside, nah,
no good.
that's what we're seeing. No bueno, yeah. Down to VWAP sitting at 744. So maybe could lose, around 50 cents. If it loses that 750 mark, then that's when we start seeing it go down. 697 would be my
MR has
next
breaking news.
set of resistance line or support
CEO has
lines.
breaking news.
We got some HMR with some breaking news. Not looking. I don't like this chart setup though.
FJETANDMORE has breaking news.
FJET. Our KTO is fighting, bro. Our KTO. I think it wants to make another push. Yeah. RKTO
There
wants
it
to.
goes. Yeah,
Yeah.
back to $1. Making
RKT.
higher lows, which
Yep.
is good.
RKTO wants to move
There,
here.
yeah, 102. See, my only issue with RKTO is it's just not much of a move.
Move.
You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We're
Some,
talking 6 pennies here from on this. I mean, on this candle alone, that's a good move, but
in general, it's
it's
not
six
much.
pennies. No,
Yeah.
it needs more of a momentum.
RKTO.
BRX look like it's starting to lose its momentum here.
Again.
BRX losing momentum.
Yeah.
Let's see. Nothing else really promising.
Yeah. That's really the trade of the day
Yeah,
so far, at
it's
least.
just. Oh, oh man, that was so good. Wish I would have got in on that.
Yeah, we missed it, but it's okay.
Yeah, we
There
missed it,
actually
but
there
that's
was a
okay.
couple opportunities.
There was,
There were a
yes.
few pullback opportunities, but yeah.
Yeah, between 7:38 and 8 o'clock. It was basically just in chop, just up and down, up and down, up and down, and then boom, it popped up. We could just be in chop time right now. This is just sideways action, waiting
Right.
to see if, maybe 9 o'clock,
Right.
just before 9 o'clock. I mean, yeah, we're getting close to the 8:45 mark. Nothing else really moving, huh?
Huh?
Not see
No,
anything
not
else
much.
popping.
Not much going on right now.
RPTO dropping back down. RPGL still just doing nothing. A long-term position in Intel. It's starting to move its way back up. I was waiting for this because I seen yesterday Nvidia, was it Amazon? They did such a move.
Yeah, Amazon. Nothing
What
going
else
on
we
right now.
got?
Pretty quiet right now. Yeah.
Nothing else really.
You're looking at Amazon yesterday.
I was just looking at. I was just on what was popping up on charts and news and stuff. In Amazon, Nvidia. Nvidia went up. So yeah, like at around dollar 94, $1.95, went up to 205. High day 205.
Yeah. It's at 206 right now. This morning. Crazy.
Yeah. And it's just yeah.
The larger caps are easier to trade. They have kind of like these range movements in kind of value
Yeah,
areas, whereas these small caps kind of just do whatever they want to do, you know?
yeah. Well, the thing is, some of us are just degens and we're in this small caps because we're looking for that 5 times, that 10 times X in one day.
Correct.
We're not going to see that in large caps. Large caps is more of a swing trade, and we gotta sit on it, and
True.
it's gonna go back up. You
Arcade.
know, you're
Yeah,
you're trying to bet on the dips, which is it's more reliable,
for sure.
way more reliable.
For sure. RKTO doing another slight little push here. But again, like to your point, it's not making big enough moves, you know?
Not big enough moves. Yeah,
Yeah,
you have to make that. You'd have to execute that perfectly too, because it's just on that one candle that it keeps going up and then just failing back, fading. Good volume on that candle though.
on the last one.
Yeah.
Virax trying to make another push. Let's see what happens at open.
There it is. Look at the screenshot I sent you. You can see it's got range to move to like 9 now, I'd say. Back to 9. Resistance actually here at 890. We're talking 10 cents here. It just jumped just now from 818. Sitting at 884.
Yeah, I see that.
Like I said, it was doing another little squeeze right there.
It wants to push here. RKTO looking to push. Sorry, Virax looking to push. RKTO
You're right.
also looking to push. They're both looking to push. But
Oh,
RKT,
RKT was trying to pop right there, yeah.
yeah, Virax trying to follow
109
suit.
there, it broke its high.
Yeah, it needs up half past 110. Let's see. It wants it. There it goes. Hit 110.
110.
What's up, Mitchell? Good morning. Yeah, come watch us trade, bro. We're out here.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. One ten. Okay.
Virax. Does Virax does it want to hit the 9?
No, not yet.
No, it's starting to go back now.
There goes RKTO. Got another penny, bro.
Attention, breaking news.
Got another penny.
What's up, bro? How's it going, Mitchell?
What's good,
How you doing
Mitchell?
today? You in any trades today? See anything interesting? So far, we've got RKTO and Virax. RKTO is interesting, sure, but it's just not much of a mover.
Yeah, it's not much. You're getting like a one penny at a time. 2 pennies.
It's
It's slow.
but it's honestly where all the volume is going right now. All in Virax and RKTO,
Those are the two plays. RPGL just popping up too, actually.
and just gave it back though.
Did it?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, it did. Yikes.
it's at 50% though, so there's that little squeeze. Like I said, if it goes to 50 and it can still, hold
Yeah.
that level and then bounce from there, you'd have to get a bit bullish engulfing candle in order to beat that last one, and then you'd have an entry.
I don't see enough movement on the time and sales for me to be interested in
In
RPG.
RPGL,
Yeah,
definitely not.
it's moving too slow.
No. The movers right now are RKTO. Oh, I wouldn't even call RKTO a real mover, but the most volume right now
Yeah,
is in RKTO and VRAX.
yeah,
VRAX. It's trying to squeeze here. It's trying to go back up. 88.74 for VRAX. 880. Oh, how I wish I had a position in this from earlier. Would be a great day.
there'll be other opportunities for sure.
From 570 and we're sitting at 870. That's a
Yeah,
$3 move.
yeah.
So this is where I'm trying to build this algorithm. This is where Claude, I keep telling everybody, learn to use AI. AI is going to be everybody's best friend. That's your assistant. You don't have to worry about them taking pee breaks or anything,
Yeah,
stealing your stuff. Nothing. This thing is here for you.
yeah,
And if I can teach this thing to just execute the way I think, oh, we're
yeah.
gonna be smooth sailing. Smooth sailing.
100.
Just tinkering with these things.
Yeah,
Technology, nah, man, it's crazy.
it's crazy, bro. Not much going on otherwise right now. Pretty quiet.
Not really. Yeah, pretty much just looking at VRAX and RKTO. RKTO just not as exciting for me though.
No, there's really nothing going on there. And Virax is kind of tapered off a little bit too. We'll see what happens at market
Yeah,
open. Take it from there.
VRAX looking like it might want to do another little move here.
Virax, baby.
Volume growing. Just see that 9 EMA bouncing off the VWAP consistently, just holding it. There it goes. 585.
What are you looking at, bro?
Back up to 9 like VRAX.
Oh,
VRAX
Virax, yeah.
906, 912. Oh, I
New high
said
a
it.
day,
Go
new
back
high
up
a
to
day.
9.
New
I
high a day.
called it.
Yeah, new high a
New
day.
high.
New high a day. $9.30. We got Virax.
I called this thing
Oh, it's
so
going.
perfect.
Going to 10 maybe. 994.
980.
994. High.
Holy
Hey.
shucks. Oh my
Virax.
God, this
Virax.
thing is
Play
good.
of the day for today. Virax. If you got in.
I
We looking
my
at
God.
570, bro. My God.
Kicking myself for not putting in any entries in this stuff. Oh my God. And I've just been making these calls. Oh my goodness.
Virax. So on that 5 minute, you see the jump up, pull back, jump up, pull back, another jump up. You know, does it
Yeah, that
have?
5 minute shows you like perfect entries for pullbacks.
Yeah, yeah.
A little squeeze. Oh my God. I I couldn't have called it better. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Literally could not have called that any better.
killer, killer.
Oh my god.
Does it want more, bro? Is it gonna hit past 10 now? Maybe it's priming for
Jeez.
what is it called? Market open 9:30. Might see a real push.
See, that's where it gets scary for me. Now the way that the market's been going with that market open,
Yeah,
this it's like I said, the OG traders, the regular traders, they're gonna make all the money right before pre-market.
yeah,
As soon as pre-market goes, that's when you start seeing all the selling pressure. Because all these guys are like, well, I've made my money for the day. Can clock out. Sell all the they don't leave positions open.
yeah. That's
They
true.
sell off everything. And that's where all the
And they're done.
the new the beginners and everybody that's like, oh, I want to get in, because they're not into pre-market.
They're sleeping in.
I can't believe this. I wish I would have made these entries, man.
Yeah, nice, clean,
This thing
boom,
went up to
clean,
almost $10
clean
from
entries. Eh?
570, man.
570. Yep, right
That's
here.
crazy.
That was the entry. VRAX is the play of the day, folks. VRAX.
Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Well, tomorrow's going to be an exciting one at least. We
Tomorrow's
know
gonna
for
be
sure
interesting. Yeah,
with the Korean stock you were saying that's going to be
yeah,
listed on the Nasdaq.
yep. Tomorrow's gonna be very interesting for
We
sure.
should have some movers tomorrow. Hopefully, do we know of this stock if there's any like uh, affiliated stocks that might move have trickling
Uh,
trickling trades because of it? Might have might
Potential,
bounce just because of this stock.
potentially. Let's see.
Other than VRAX, man, I just don't see anything. We got less than 5 minutes till nine o'clock. See if there's any 9 o'clock news. I
Let's
just
see.
don't see anything beating VRAX. VRAX sitting at 200% on the day. We're in pre-market. 200% of the day. It's
Yeah,
just oh,
it's, for tomorrow. Let's see if there's any opportunities tomorrow happening.
VRAX want to move up again. See, that's a nice bullish engulfing candle there. There it goes, 981. Broke its previous little resistance there. We going 986.
It will crack 10, I believe so.
That
So
9 o'clock pressure. 988. Just needs a little surge of volume. You're gonna see this thing break 10 easy. There goes 10. 1014 it hit.
yeah,
Wow. Kicking myself, man. Kicking myself. Holy moly.
Play of the day, VRAX. And our KTO is up to $1.12. A little slow grinder on that one.
Which is crazy because that's the second play
Yeah.
to like second to Virax is RPG or what was it? RKTO. And it's literally only pennies, couple 10 cents, 10,
So
20 cents for Virax, man.
so
Virax all the
tomorrow
way.
I would look at MRAM. It looks like MRAM might be something on the small cap side to look at for a potential based on the SK Hynix thing.
Actually, it's looking pretty good on the day even. Not much volume, but it is looking really good on the day.
Which one?
MRAM.
MRAM? Yeah.
Yep, MRAM. Everspin Technologies.
Yeah, Everspin Technologies. Yeah. So this may be something to potentially watch for tomorrow. Could be a swing. Let's see.
Yeah,
And
so
wow,
3%
look
of the
at VRAX right now, bro. $1.40. Sorry, 11.40, 11.50,
No,
11.95.
my it hit 1170 12. Oh my
11.95, 11.95
goodness.
right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. 11.95 on VRAX.
What a call, man.
My god.
Holy.
Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Crazy.
I can't believe that.
That was
We'd
the
be up
play.
like 50% of the day, man.
That was the
We'd be
play
up
of the day.
50% of the day from the call.
No,
That's
100%.
insane.
You would be I'm 100%. 5? It's like
100%?
yeah,
Oh
100%.
yeah, no, 100%. No, yeah, you're right, you're right.
Yeah.
Morning math, morning math. Brain's still
Now, are you
trying to
gonna
tick.
hold the whole way through? I don't know, but yeah, you would have been up 100%.
I I always, like I said, I
You keep a
always
little
try
bit.
and hold a percentage. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
never more than 50%.
Crazy, bro. This
That's where
thing,
I start giving all my gains back.
this thing is something.
Wow, almost $12, just shy of $12. Anybody that got in on that got up to there, that's still holding.
Mm,
Congratulations, 'cause what a play!
killed it.
Play of the day for sure. 241% of the day. And we're all sitting at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock actually coming in. See if we got any news coming in for 9 o'clock.
NIXX.
It soon looks like it's trying to do something.
NIXX. Nothing there.
Volume starting to pour into SUNE. JMX. JMBX just popped up on here. What is this doing?
BRCB has breaking news.
JMEX.
BICS has breaking
Possible
news.
play. So we got EVGM. It's a penny stock. Don't play those.
You see anything? FOXX. Fox, maybe?
OXX.
Yeah, Fox. FOXX. Nah, bro. No good.
No, that's no bueno.
No bueno. VRAX. Let's.
Yeah. J. Yeah. No. SUNE. Yeah, SUNE. I'm starting to get some volume. Climbing up on the trend set.
TDTH popping back up on my scanner. Not much going on there yet. Trying to get back above VWAP TDTH.
Uh, so, yeah, it's VRAX all day. VRAX
VRAX.
is really, yeah, VRAX all day, every day, all the way. This is just holy moly. 244% of the day. Insane.
Let's get it.
Nothing else really that interesting.
No. I'll be right back.
Yep.
Yep.
No worries. Guess we're just still watching Erax. Erax coming here support at 1080, I'd say. 1080 has room to go to 1066, 1067. It looks like it's trying to do another squeeze. 930 is where we're gonna see. Does it hold? Does it pump? Or does it flop? I have to get a refill on the water soon here. $95. There it goes. 1113. Does it break? 1120. 1134. Okay.
Trying to break 12, you think?
That's back 1157. It's trying.
Crazy, bro. What a crazy VRAX. Hell.
That's insane. If you see on the screenshot I sent you, it's just following that trend line there now.
Yeah, yeah,
That first trend line on the way up.
yep.
Using that as support basically. That's where I was calling. I was saying it has like it has range to go to 966, which it did. Bounced right off it, and now it's just using that trend line as support on its way out. It's still trailing up. Does it squeeze up to 12 again and pop, or does it flop?
Opening will be interesting at 9:30 a.m. That's gonna be
I
interesting.
Yeah, that's where I call it quits, and I wait for like at least 15 minutes,
Yeah,
9:45 roughly, and see if there's any more entry points, or where is it going?
right.
At 9:40, sorry, 11:40, 11:39.
JVA has breaking news. DFH has breaking news.
Got some breaking news here. JVA.
Coffee holding company.
Coffee holding company. Chart looks whack though.
Yes, it does.
Yeah,
Just not enough.
it's just not
It's
gonna.
on an upward trend, sure. Just
Our
like
friend
not
RKTO is slowly just grinding up, bro. It's like a
penny
slow
by
grind up.
penny. Yeah, you can see it wants to do something, sure,
Yeah,
but it's
it's just
slow
slow.
grinder.
Yeah, that's one you just put in like and just
Yeah,
yeah, let it sit,
just
let it do its
set
thing.
and forget, basically.
Yeah, set and forget. Well, not forget completely, but Yeah,
We're talking 150. This is pennies, man. This is
it's slow. Yeah,
the only. It hasn't really like
done much.
dropped too much where you're like, oh, I'm lost so much.
Right,
Like I said, risk reward here. Like if you're holding this and you're risking 10 cents,
you're
you're
good.
chilling.
You're good.
You're chilling.
Yeah, VRAX. VRAX got to 1233 just now. It just wicked up to 1233, new pre-market high.
Oh
Wow.
yes, it did. Broke new eye. Oh my god! While we're watching RKTO, the slow dragger.
VRAX came through again. Another.
Rice popped. Oh my
Just keep
god,
dropping.
that's.
VRAX, baby.
Oh my goodness,
Hey,
bro.
hey,
Tomorrow we're getting in on something like this.
hey. Tomorrow, yeah. Yeah,
We're gonna be
you know what
in,
the
and it's
funny
gonna
thing
be
is?
more.
You called it yesterday. You're like,
I called it yesterday. Called
yeah,
it today.
yeah. You were saying yesterday, yeah,
The
Thursday should
executions,
be
man. The
better.
executions are just not there.
Yeah.
Oh man,
You were saying, hey, Thursday should be better, and it was better this morning. But
this is the movie we're looking for, man.
yes, sir.
Just gotta be patient sometimes.
100.
Be patient, and something will show. Wednesdays though, live already said Wednesdays I don't trade personally. Wednesdays is my day to review, watch the market. Like I
Yeah,
said, still show up, always show up. If you don't show up, that's you're not gonna get anything out of it.
for sure.
I show up. I might not trade, but I show up because I'm still here to learn. Every day is a learning day.
NWTG.
Strategies change, markets change, things happen, wars happen.
Yeah. Trump happens.
VRAX. VRAX dropping here down to my support level here, sitting around what is it, 1108.
Ooh, VRAX, yeah, coming back down here to the.
But it's showing the
And,
support that 1108. Like I
yeah,
just said it,
yeah,
1108,
yep,
and it just hit 1108
yep. It's holding
back
there.
to 1115. That trend line, man, I'm telling you, that trend line works.
It's holding still, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Look at the screenshot I sent you.
Yeah, I see it. It's right there.
Like perfect, right? Like I could just foretold this. That trend line is perfectly executed. I put that trend line at 8 o'clock this morning, like almost an hour ago.
Crazy.
It's holding that trend line, man. 119 now.
It's doing its best trying to hold it, yeah.
Yeah. Well, see, here's the thing: there's nothing else really moving. This is
There's
where
the,
everybody's at.
yeah, the party is here right now.
Oh, it broke the trend line a little bit. Let's
Yeah, it
see.
did, yeah.
It's really trying to hold support.
It's trying to hold that area, though.
Level, what did I say? 1108.
Mm.
1108 is broke 1108 down 1104. Next support I'm seeing is like 1064. 1064, 1060 area. We don't want to see this break 11, which it might do right now. There it goes. 1095. A lot of people might see this as a dip opportunity though. Oh,
Some people
I see
might.
the entries for
Sometimes,
1074,
they
1060.
sell just before the market open to then pump it out.
There
Huh?
it goes. There it goes. 1070s.
Yeah. I feel like we're going to see a dip before the market open, and then might be an opportunity to get back in.
Opportunity or a chance for all the beginners to get trapped. Because this is when like I said, all the OGs come in. And yeah, I'm done for the day. Going to the beach. Made my money on VRAX. 200%. I'm out.
V-Rex.
There you go. There's a little dip opportunity off 1095 level. Oh no, it did. Yeah, like I said, 1060s level. Drop down to
It's
1068.
holding. Yeah, it's holding.
It has to break that 11 to hold. It's using 1096 as resistance. 1095. The ask is on 11 now. Does it want to break at 11 again? It really wants to. It needs to hold this 11 mark. If people in the pre-market or in the once this opens, once the bell rings, if people still want to make this happen, then this
Mm.
has to hold this $11 mark. Because even if you take a look at the 9 EMA and the VWAP, like I said, it's just so close together, just bouncing, like just using it like a support level, just over and over again. I said as soon as you see that 9 EMA cross the, sorry, not the VWAP, my mistake. Sorry, I meant 9 EMA and 20 EMA.
Mm-hmm.
They're
But
just
now it's
bouncing
curling
off each
though.
other.
It's curling. I feel like it's gonna lose.
It keeps doing that, but it's like it wants to bounce. But this is where we're almost at 9:15, so 15
Yeah.
minutes before the open. This
Let's see.
is, are we gonna see everybody selling pressure now? Selling everybody, all right, free market's about to, or opening bell's about to come in. I'm done for the day.
Yeah. RKTO baby is up to $1.24 now.
124. Okay, it's climbing faster now.
Yeah, yeah, RKTO, bro. God damn. We were looking at that at 94, 93 cents. And now it's at a dollar. It got up to $1.27. Go. And there goes VRAX on the
Not much
downside.
selling on it too, though. It's pretty good.
Huh?
A lot of buying
Yeah.
on RKTO. There's
It's
a lot
just
of
buying.
buying.
It's
Well,
yeah,
not
yeah,
as
yeah.
much. Yeah, it's really good.
It's just
On a green
consistently
candle.
grinding up, you know? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Like I said, set and forget. This is, if you have that managing risk 10 cents or whatever it
Yeah,
is,
that would have been a
this would
good
be
one.
perfect. This is
Yeah.
like this
This last
literally
candle was
perfect.
like a 10-cent candle, just the last candle here, you know? Crazy.
On the upside too. That's the
Yeah,
best part. So you
yeah.
don't have to worry. You don't have to be stressing. You're still on the green. So that'd be
That would have been a good one.
phenomenal.
Yeah. Let's see what
Not a
happens.
crazy move, but you're still on the green. That's what we're looking for always. Green moves. And there goes VRAX down to 1047, 1044. It broke that 50 mark, which is not good. 50-cent
RKT. Oh,
psychological
maybe.
level is, volume's probably going to start pouring out of VRAX and now into RKTO. RKTO might be the opening bell move. Oh, giving it back right there.
RKT, yeah, taking a little.
126. Yeah, back to 118, 115. If it breaks this support level, it's showing a lot of support here at 115. If it breaks that, that's
No,
like I said, no bueno.
no bueno.
No bueno. 114. Yeah, there it goes. 112. That is a very bearish candle. RKTO down to 111.5. VRAX volume starting to come back into VRAX. Working its way up from 1036, 10, no, where we were dropped all the way to 1027 here. Oh, they back up to 1072, 1074. VRAX trying to climb its way back up to 11. Let's see if we can make it.
It's trying. It's trying to hold that area here. 1050 area is trying to hold, yeah?
It's trying to, it's 1074 already.
Yep.
Trying to work its way back up to 11.
Look at RKTL took a dip.
Big hit, yeah.
Yeah. As soon as we said it was
Back
doing
to
its
VWAP.
thing.
All the way back to VWAP. Volume pouring back into the VRAX, I think. Big selling pressure off RKTL though. Holy.
What is our friend SpaceX doing? Take a quick look. SPCX.
SpaceX.
SpaceX back up
Oh
to
man,
151.
it's heavy yesterday. I didn't see
Yeah,
it dip down.
yeah,
I thought it was
yeah,
holding that 150 mark. It dipped to
yeah,
145 yesterday,
yeah,
climbing back up.
yeah. Now it's slowly getting itself back out of that area.
Back in the 150, 150 area.
Yo, any new news on it?
Intel is at 115. SpaceX. Yeah. SpaceX 151.
Nothing crazy.
What a bounce back. Well, for yesterday, it basically regained its loss. So that's pretty good. Pretty good for SpaceX holders.
Yeah, for those who are holding it still, I guess. Yeah.
Nvidia has been doing a move from yesterday. So seeing how you trade crypto, do you trade any of the stocks that are crypto based? So like for
No.
example, there's a iBit.
I bet and stuff. No, not
Yeah.
really. The reason I trade crypto is more for like futures and leverage trading. You know.
Okay. Yeah.
So I like to do that on Hyperliquid on the DEX side.
Okay.
So I just like the Hyperliquid platform. It's so nice, and yeah, there's no KYC. You can just do it straight from your wallet. It is a little bit of a learning curve on the technical side of things, but yeah, crypto. When I started, I was trading on centralized exchanges, but over the years, I've transitioned to decentralized exchanges and just trading on like Hyperliquid and focusing on leverage trades, typically 2 to 5x, but
Okay.
there is more risk to that, I would say, but I am also trading knowing that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's one thing I've told people is like trading, like we've said, is like gambling, right?
yeah, it is.
So
Yeah,
I say it's very good mentality to come into trading with. Once you put that money in, you should pretty much say bye bye to it.
yeah,
So that way you can take that fear of emotion, like of that. Oh no, I lost this and I lost that. You should already have said bye bye to it from when you put it in there.
right,
Right now, it's just this is you learning, and if you make money, then great. That means you're learning and you're doing well.
right.
If you're losing, that means this you got to go back to the drawing board. This is something you're doing something wrong. There's something you got to readjust, reevaluate.
Yeah,
So, but the best way to remove that emotion out of it is honestly, once you put that
BRCB has
money in,
breaking news.
say bye-bye to it. Just like gambling. When I go to the
yeah,
casino, I go with, but that's why you set a limit. You shouldn't be putting all your eggs in one basket. You shouldn't
right.
be putting your life savings into it, right?
No, no, no.
That should be
BRCB has
put it
breaking
into like
news.
proper investments, you
Yeah,
know?
proper
But if you're
investments, large caps,
you're putting
ETFs.
money into the stocks, it should be money you're willing to risk, meaning that it is money you're willing to lose.
Hmm.
It's the same. So that alone is what's gonna help you remove the emotion out of it. Oh, I lost. I lost. Like you were in your mind, if you already had that mentality that I already lost it, it's gone.
Right,
So now don't waste it away and just watch trickle away, right? Don't be that bag holder. This is where risk reward comes in. Manage your
yeah.
loss, manage
Well,
your
it's called
your final.
trading, right? It's not called investing. There's difference.
Yeah,
Yeah,
day trading.
BLIN
day
has
trading.
breaking
Yeah.
news.
Yep. Oh, like I said, VRAX making its way back to 11. It made it back to 1110, holding 1180,
BLIN has
1190
breaking
area.
news.
Let's see what happens here. Open come in 8 minutes. See if we have any additional opportunities this morning.
It's gonna be crazy. The top VRAX 238%.
Yeah, it's the
We're
trade
gonna
of the
have to
day.
see something explode.
RKTO
Hopefully, we
behind.
got some good 9:30 news.
RKTO off this area could be open potential. But like it's not moving enough to really care, you know. It's the calm before the storm.
Yeah, legit.
Yeah. 7 minutes and in 7 minutes we'll see what happens here. Let's see, bro. What we got here? Does RKTO want to make another push?
That- It broke its candle here, so it's got to hold this 114.
Yeah. If it can, maybe it'll push up. Let's see.
If it breaks,
Get a
if it
10.
breaks 114, is not so bad. If it breaks 111, is where we start to see an issue on its way to back down to VWAP at 108.
Yeah.
If it breaks VWAP, then we see no bueno, no bueno on this thing. But right now it's holding
Right now it's holding. Yeah.
1114 or sorry 114.
But it's only a 10-15% move at best. It's not like you're gonna get a lot. Sorry, 10,
No,
15 cent move.
yeah.
Yeah. It's not like whoa.
That's why I haven't got too excited about RKTO. Like
Yeah.
I said from the beginning, yeah,
Yeah.
it's a couple penny moves here and there.
Right.
It's a set and forget, with a risk loss.
Yeah. Nvidia is up. Tesla is getting spanked. Apple slightly up. Meta is also getting spanked. AMD slightly up. And Microsoft also down.
Correct. Does it want to break 11 again? Trying to make its way back up here on the 1085.
I think VRAX is setting up for another leg, bro.
I
Right here.
just said it. Yeah, I
Yeah.
told you it's trying to climb back up.
Yeah.
80, 85.
You
Now it's
see?
a 9, 10. Yeah,
The leg.
11. I
Leg.
said it. I
Leg.
called it.
It's coming.
Does it want to break this? 11,
I
11.
think it's setting up
11
for the
uses
morning,
resistance. It
the what
has
is
to break
called
this
the
resistance.
opening 9:30 a.m. opening maybe a push up, past 12. We might get 12, 13,
Yeah, I'm
14,
just
15.
under 3 minutes here.
Mm,
Got like 2.5 minutes.
it's getting ready for that push.
See, like I said, are we gonna see the OG traders, the regular traders, stick around and make this thing go up again, or are they gonna call it quits and watch this thing plummet back down to like $8?
We'll see very shortly what the game plan is.
Let me get a refill on the water before this opens here.
Yes, sir. What are you guys trading this morning? If you're watching, let us know what you're trading. Opening is starting soon. 2 minutes to go. Eyes are on VRAX this morning, VRAX and RKTO. If you're into trading, this is the place to be. We're looking to level up with you, so let's get it. Two minutes till open. Here we go, here we go. One more minute till open. We're watching RKTO and VRAX this morning. And we should see some movement anytime now. Boom. Oh my God. Let's see what's going on with VRAX. What's going on with RKTO. RKTO. Let's see. VRAX. VRAX looking for that pop.
Urax popped 1137, 1135. We need more of the volume to pop in. Just there goes on the downside.
Are they both going on the downside? Let's see.
It's hold. It's right in between. It's holding in between.
We got all sorts of action coming in.
Indecisive,
IDG.
yeah.
Yeah, these two haven't done anything. I was hoping for some more action on both of these. Nothing.
On the open, you'd expect.
Yeah, something. Nothing. We got WRAP wrap up on the scanner. See what's going on there with that. Ooh, wrap with a huge. Oh my.
Holy, yeah, wrap right on the open.
Yeah,
What news do we have on wrap?
wrap getting some drone technology.
We got a
Yeah,
couple more stocks popping up on scanners now. CRWU, which is a 2 times on CRWV.
we're watching wrap here. Looking for a potential entry. MGIH up on the scanner. VRAX again. VRAX. VRAX is now moving to the upside.
Erax just, wow.
Yeah, VRAX moving to
Hit
the
12.
upside. Yep.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna put wrap on my watch list to see potential.
Over.
VRAX. Oh my God, VRAX got slapped. Oh my goodness,
Yep.
he got slapped.
Very bad. That's probably going to get halted there.
Oh my God, 1024 VRAX just got slapped. Yeah. Just like you said,
Yeah, VRX halted at
they're
1024.
gonna slaughter
I
their market
I
open.
called it, man.
Yeah,
That's what it's the new trend. It's like you got to be in pre-market now in order to make that money.
yeah,
It's crazy. Look, all that.
slapped.
The past, what is it? From 9 o'clock, the past half hour just gave back
RAP is moving. R A
in
W P. R A
2
W
minutes.
P. W R A P. Sorry, W R A P. RAP.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Rap's probably gonna get halted on the way up.
yeah. W R A P is moving. That bounce on the 9 on the 1 minute,
Only 189.
and we are going. We are moving. RAP is looking good.
Rack looking like it's doing maybe a little dip here, a pullback. Yeah, that would have been a nice little pullback there, 188.
TDTH.
Mm.
We're looking at this also on our watch list.
Wow, Rap is starting to pull back now, heavy.
What happened to VRAX? It got halted. Is it?
VRX is halted yet. VRX has a 5 minute halt.
Yeah, God. Crazy.
Yeah,
Okay, RAP. I'm looking at RAP then. TDTH and RAP.
yeah. TDTH is bouncing here really nicely. Volume coming in heavy. Everybody's looking for that next move. That's why VRX is no longer it.
VRAP's in the penalty box, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
Hey.
I'm trying to get VRX eliminated.
Here we go. RAP making a move. RAP making a move off
Rap
off the VWAP.
soaring. Yeah.
Ooh.
Holy moly.
There we go. RAP hitting 2.
197, 198.
199. Boy. There we go. RAP up over 2.
Take a quick look over
203,
at
204,
RKTO.
205.
RKTO doing anything. Yeah. Rap is the move right now, it looks like.
RAP is
There
the
goes
move, folks.
204. Holy moly.
RKTO grinding back up. But RAP is the move, folks.
Weird that rap doesn't show up on my rating trade zero, but it shows up on my rating view.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Maybe they
This is
don't.
like trade.
RAP is not listed on Trade Zero. Who knows?
That's true. That's possible. Let me see actually. Let me type it in.
Sometimes some brokers don't carry certain stocks.
No, it's on here.
Oh, it
Just
is?
doesn't. I don't know.
SAO
Yeah.
has breaking
Just
news.
sometimes it doesn't pop up.
Interesting.
This is why it's like not a bad idea to have multiple sources of information. Like if you just use TradingView, if you just use your brokerage, like you're kind of limiting yourself. And you can have multiple sources. Like this is why your website, the
Yeah.
platform you have being built, this is
hmm
perfect. This is like the perfect example. Multiple sources of resources of information.
hmm You need to have a few.
Yeah, one chart might tell you, like right now, wrap sitting at 205. It might say 205 on this one, where on the other one it's saying $2, or it just
Yeah.
hasn't updated yet.
Correct. It's a little slower, maybe. Oh, here we go. RAP up to 208.
206, 208,
Yep. 210.
209, 210.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go. We got movers now.
We got some action. Oh my God. RAP 211, 212. Okay.
PMA showing
Who
up
got
on the
into
list now,
RAP?
but
If you
we
got
can
into
trade
RAP,
PMA.
drop us a comment if you got into RAP. WRAP. If you got into RAP, let us know, man. God damn.
Wrap looking like it's doing a little pullback here. Is this a dip by entry?
A RKTO back up to 119. RKTO making another push. Oof. Wrap, baby.
Virax is open again.
It's out of
It's
the halt?
Virax
Yeah.
time.
Out of the halt? Or resumed, yeah.
It is out of the halt.
But
Oh,
it's
what is that?
Wrap stealing the show right now. Trying to make some more moves. It's up to 214. Let's look at our buddy RKTO real quick. Rocket One. Rocket One doing some interesting movements. It's a weird chart.
Virax looking like it wants to hold. Oh, never mind. As I say, it starts to pay out. Holding $10.
What, VRAP?
Virax.
VRAX, sorry.
VRAX.
Yeah,
Sorry.
VRAX, yeah. ACTO popping up on the scanner. ACTO.
Wrap popped up to 219.
Yep, Wrap is doing its thing.
Everybody's fading out of Virax and falling into WRAP.
Yep, Wrap is.
That was like I
Ooh,
said, I was saying that. Is
here
this a dip entry?
it could be a dip
Oh,
entry
this is
here.
looking a little bearish. Lots of support right there. Look at that wick. It wants to hold. It wants to hold. It wants to hold the $2 mark at least.
Ooh, there we go. 211. 212, 209.
212. Lots of support, like I said.
What are we looking at, bro? Sheesh.
Nothing really.
Trying to see some
Everything's
entry,
trying
some
to give
entry.
back now.
Trying to find an entry.
Virax is making a move back up. Broke 11.
Yep, there it goes.
Our KTO just giving it all back. It's
I'm gonna,
showing support here at 108 though.
I'm gonna look at Wrap for an entry maybe, but I'm looking at an
Wrap.
entry. Maybe off VWAP
Wrap
if it
showing
comes
support
down.
at 205, 209, risking 4 pennies. That's not so bad.
Yeah, if I can get
There
under
you go. It's at 214 now.
yeah, if it comes back on around the $2 area, I might be interested. Let's see. Let's try to make
Our
another push up.
KTO down to 1045. Yeah, it broke. It broke
RKTO
VWAP.
on the downside.
Broke trend. Yeah, our KTO is going down now. Yeah. Broke its trend. Broke its VWAP. Broke its resistance. Sorry, support. Not looking too good now.
RKTO down.
Pretty bearish now. Holding support at 106. Wrap looking like it's trying to squeeze here. It came back down to 209, sitting at 210.
Wrap.
I think Virax is done. Virax, like I said from earlier, it did its move.
It's
People
done.
made their money.
They're out.
They're at the beach. They're on the way to the beach now.
Here's an opportunity on Wrap. Let's see. It's coming back to my area, 205 area. I might be interested off a bounce here,
A
potentially.
lot of selling pressure here, though. This is
Yeah,
my
it's
only
it's
suggestion
risky.
here. It's
It's
a
risky, risky,
lot of selling pressure here. Yeah,
risky, risky. Let's see.
you'd be
I'm waiting now.
risking. I'd say risk if you're risking, you're probably risking down to at least VWAP sitting at like around 199, 198.
Yeah,
Risking a couple pennies, you know what I mean? That's not so bad. Coming down 208.
207 now. Yeah, there's a pop off. I didn't enter yet. I'm in, I'm interested in round two.
You're in
No, no,
or
I
not
didn't.
in it?
Not yet. It's
It's
like,
showing some support here at 208.
yeah, it is, but I don't know if it's enough.
Yeah. Question is it curling here or is it squeezing?
Correct. Let's see.
It's like right in the middle, basically. You gotta see more volume.
It's coming down. 20. There was that 205 pop.
Yeah.
It was
Showed
quick.
R
support
has
there too.
breaking news.
Big, quick little support
Little,
candle there.
little wick. Yeah.
It's still the selling pressure is kind of there, you know.
Mm. There we go. Look at that little pop. I think it's good here, bro. I think it's holding. I think we're holding here. There we go.
Oh, there goes 213.
Yeah, I think we're good here. Yep, yep, yep.
See if it breaks that 217 resistance there. Problem is you only got up to 220. You wanted to break that 220. That
Yeah,
3 cent range is nothing
it's
to
it, yeah,
jump for joy, you know?
yeah. This is true. Yeah, it's like it's not. The ceiling is too low.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's having trouble getting out of that range.
Yeah. It has to break like breaking 220 could be an entry. I have no idea where next resistance would be though.
Yeah,
Let's look at the daily here. Next resistance looking at 223. 223, 236. Like we'll say 225, 235 area. And next levels of resistance. If it breaks that 220.
it's trying here.
211.
Here's another
It's in
pusher.
a sideways action right now because there's no like higher lows.
No,
It's just made a lower high, but it still has buying volume to try and make this go higher. Just the volume really needs to pour in.
let's see what's going on with wrap.
VRAX down to 1046. It plummeted to 965. Holy, just for a quick second. A lot of selling on VRAX now. Yeah, it's what I said. People are on their way to the beach now. They made their money, and
They're on the
all
way
the
to
people
the
are getting
beach.
all the people that came into open are now getting stuck in here, hoping that this goes back up when there's not enough volume for this to go back up anymore. Nobody's interested in this. It already pumped up from like, it had a low of today $3. We're sitting at a high of 1234. I don't think we're gonna see it pump back up there anymore.
No, no, I don't think so.
VRAX made
Maybe
its money
later
for
in
the
the day.
day.
Sometimes,
Power hour, sure, maybe
yeah,
right after lunch, something like
yeah,
that. But
potentially, yeah. Never
It's
know what
kind of
these things can
expensive
go.
now, you know.
Yeah.
This is chasing now. You're chasing it.
I'm still liking rap
Our
here.
KTO down
Let's
to
see.
103.
Hey,
That's just going down.
that didn't really have much of an upside, anyways. We knew that.
No,
Yeah.
that was a slow grinder, like
Slow
we said.
grinder.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, maybe you could have made.
Wraps the next move, really. JLHL popped up here. That popped up and gave it all back. This is trying to bounce off VWAP here, though.
Yeah, rap.
JLHL.
Let's see what happens with rap here.
Wraps in sideways action right now. Trying to squeeze up. MACD's starting to go red on this.
Rap's kind of grinding up, bro. I feel like there's potential here, maybe. Let's see.
Hey. Rap's trying to bounce. Here's Rap moving now. It's got to break 218 here, roughly.
Yeah, ideally 220, right?
217,
Yeah,
218. Yeah, ideally 220, yes.
yeah.
Or for it to see any move, it's really got to show that buying pressure
Mm.
at 218, 217, and you'll see it pop 220. But I see a lot of selling. A lot of selling.
Yeah, I do too.
210s, 211s.
A lot of. Oof, that was a
Yes,
huge sell
selling.
order, bro. What the hell?
Yep. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, I didn't get into it yet, so it is what it is.
If you like you said, you wanted to get into the 205 area, so you still be sitting on some pennies, you know?
Yeah, you
So
would
it's
have
not
been.
bad.
Yeah, I was,
No, that
but
would have
that
been a
would
good
that,
entry
but
point.
it like it
205
wicked,
area.
if wicked for like half a second, you know?
If you have your entry, it might hit your entry. But the problem is when you have those entries, those market movers like to take those entries, and that's when you get caught in a
Yeah,
trap.
correct, correct. It's very risky.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I try and execute my limit orders off hotkeys.
yeah.
I try my best not to
I,
execute right off the bat.
I'm gonna reposition
Or
my
sorry,
thing,
leave order.
my macro pad on the right side, so it's more accessible. So that'll be
Is
my
there any is
project.
there any way you can kind of position it below your keyboard, just under like your
Actually,
where
I could
where your arrows
technically.
are? That might be a
Uh,
better spot. You know what I mean? So you can just
technic.
move from your mouse to there and just press
Yeah,
it really fast.
technically, I could. You know, potentially, yeah.
That's where that's exactly where I would put it. Like right where your numpad is and the arrow
You know, the
keys,
thing is,
I would have it
I have
right
a,
there.
I have a pull-out second keyboard under that I could technically.
Oh, oh no.
Yeah, I could put it
I
in.
have the whole setup to install it into my desk. I just haven't. I also like not having anything underneath it
Yeah,
because I want to have that. I want to have two setups. I want to have like my regular, my
yeah,
work keyboard and mouse, And then when I'm doing my leisure time, then I
Boom.
have my gaming keyboard and mouse on the slide out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I have a slide out. Right now there's the Apple Magic Keyboard there, you know? So,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. They just hit, it just crossed the 220. It's at 220.
SAR has breaking news.
221.
Yep. So it did.
It might go. MACD's showing like it wants to pop. You just need more volume to pour in. A lot of buying pressure. Ooh, a lot of selling pressure. Sell orders coming in heavy
Yeah,
now.
it's not popping enough, but yeah. What are you guys trading this morning? What's everybody trading?
I feel like a lot of people had their sell orders at 220. As soon as it hit, you seen that go down, back
Yeah.
down.
What's everybody trading this morning? It's gonna. Here's a nice. It's gonna. No. Slow little grind up.
Selling volume. Yeah, look, there it goes. It's starting to go down. Sellers are just getting rid of this now. Maybe bounce that VWAP at 208, but this might try and do the same thing as what VRAX was doing earlier and just use that
Oof.
20 EMA as
Rap just
support.
sold off, bro. There's that bounce though. Off VWAP.
209s, 210s.
OSTX has
It's
breaking
showing
news.
support here. Yeah. Excuse.
Yeah, showing some support, but I don't know if I would jump in this area.
Not enough
No.
buying pressure.
Yep.
Need more buying volume for this to. Mm.
There we go. It's crashing again.
Oh my goodness. Let me switch back right now. What's VRAX doing? VRAX exploding back up. New high a day.
What's that view?
1262.
Wow.
VRAX, VRAX exploded back. We thought it was
Circuit
done, but
breaker. I
no,
got
it wasn't.
circuit breaker.
Holy,
Circuit breaker. V-Rax. Wow.
holy
Did it
moly.
get halted again here? Yeah, it
Yeah,
got.
halted on the
Oh my
upside.
god!
It's at 1262 halt.
You got halted.
Jeez, it just jumped from 1159, 1157 area up to 1262 in a 1 minute candle.
It's got on the moo it says circuit breaker
Over a
halted.
dollar move, it just,
Uh,
yeah,
just
halted.
halted right away. Boop.
Wow, what a move. We're watching rap. What are we doing?
But you're not gonna catch that move, bro. Come on, man. You're
No,
not
I'm
gonna.
not trading this anymore. I know I'm not chasing this, but I thought VRAX is done. It looks like traders are still here trying to make this move. Nothing else is really moving.
Look,
So
look,
like I guess we're
V-Rax.
going
Come on,
back to
man.
VRAX.
Look at rap. Rap coming back, bro. Off that VWAP bounce.
We're
Yeah.
talking pennies here though, you know?
Yeah.
Pennies. VRAX just did a $1.12 move. Or $1.02 move in
Yeah,
a
man.
minute.
Yeah,
Holy
but come on.
moly.
You gonna catch that, man? Come on.
No,
That's how.
I'm not. But hopefully we got traders in here that could be, you know?
Yeah, that's true. Maybe somebody caught it. Maybe somebody caught it.
Got one of my other chats going crazy here.
Crazy. Looks like everybody watching V-Rax. Some people are watching rap too.
Wonder if we're getting a 10-minute halt here on VRAX or a 5-minute halt because it already had a halt. Oh, it halted on the way down, so it should be all right actually. It should be another 5-minute halt. VRAX still just the only stock of the day today.
Yeah, really.
Wraps holding its thing, but just
It's not.
we're
It's not
talking
the same.
33% on 296% for VRAX.
Yeah, VRAX, the play of the day. S-Dot did its thing at
100%.
46%. Yeah. Oh, did I cut out there for a second? I'm back. ISPC, JLHL.
Volume change on VRAX for the day is 111,000, almost 112,000. Uh, this is average volume in the past 30 days for VRAX is 1.63 mil. Volume on the day is 40 million point 83, almost 41 million.
Fucking wild.
Everybody's in this. Market screen today. Nasdaq sitting on a 1.23% up today. SPY sitting at 0.47% and SPX at 0.44.
Here we go. Rap trying to make another push here.
Does it break that 222, 220
Keep
and
trying.
hold?
It's trying. It's gonna give it a try.
There goes VRAX. VRAX hit $13.18, holding 12.96 right
VRAX
now.
is the play of the day.
Wow.
VRAX play of the day.
SPI has breaking news.
1283. It's trying to pull back a little bit. Ooh,
SPX
heavy
has breaking
pullback.
news.
1235
VRAX play of the day today.
to 1269. Yeah, VRAX just why were we not in this?
VRAX, we're looking at it at $5.70 this morning.
570, man.
Yeah, crazy.
They said it's squeezing here. It's squeezing, and then kaboom, up to 8, and then pulled back down to 760, back up to 9. Now it's at 13. Oh my god. Oh, heavy drop, heavy pullback, sitting at 1144 halt. Halt on the way down for VRAX. That's its
Just
third halt of the day so far.
yeah, it just keeps getting halted. Yeah, on the hot scanner we
We're
see it.
two of three on the downside, one of three on the upside.
Crazy.
So let's see.
JLHL is making
I
some
have
moves.
no idea what just happened there.
JLHL making some moves.
JLHL's finally moving again. Oh yeah, it's looking like it's trying to make a cup and handle, or no? It's just gonna fail here.
JLHL.
JLHL, yeah. It bounced right out. It broke VWAP and then surged back up, but now it's just all the way back down to VWAP. It's making its way back down. It touched it, slowly showing support. Does it bounce here again?
Yeah, am I on
From
the right one?
447, it has room to go to 477,
There you go.
457.
It's an interesting chart.
Has a big pullback. More than 50% is kind of no bueno here.
Yeah, I don't know about you. I'll let you.
Still just going sideways. Excuse me.
What a day.
See when Virax is coming back. Virax halted here at 9:59. Actually, at 10. Got like another minute and a half before it unhalts.
Wrap is
It's
consolid.
raining outside, dude.
Oh, is
Oh,
it?
jeez.
Is it raining today?
It's raining outside. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wrap is look like it's, consolidating in this area for a push up,
Yeah, it's
maybe.
very
Maybe.
sideways right now.
Yeah,
It's been
very sideways.
sideways for the past, like,
A little while, yeah.
basically half time. Yeah.
TDH dead. VRAX is halted, yeah.
DIRC under a dollar stock, making a way up, sitting at 78 cents, up 28, almost 29 cent, 29% of the day. I don't know, it's up now 29%.
Crazy, crazy.
Wrap still sideways. RKTO still holding that $1.08 level. JLH JLHL is still just pulling back.
What a day.
Making higher lows though, so it could still be showing support here. VRAX still halted, should be unhalted here any minute now. Any second now. Let's see. What does it do? Does it bounce back up? Actually, this might be a 10-minute halt.
It's getting halted longer and longer.
Yeah, so usually what happens is on the second halt, let's say if it halts on the way up, it'll halt for 5 minutes first time. Second time will be 10 minutes. Third time could be 15 minutes.
Crazy.
It's just allows for the market to correct itself because sometimes they're just like, what? How come this is moving so fast? Oh, there it opened. Then it did a 5 minute. It's pulling back down now. 11:15. It unhalted here at 11:42. We're sitting at 11:13. 11:20.
What a day.
11:45. Does it break its halt? MACD starting to curl here. It could bounce here. 11. Nope. MACD showing. No. Selling pressure coming in now. A lot of volume selling all this.
I'm just watching a wrap, bro, right now. It's just, I
Russian
feel like
wrap.
it's just consolidating,
I mean, to be fair, you're gonna see all the volume switch out from one stock to go to another, and if
Yeah.
wraps it, then this could be the one.
Yeah, it could be. I feel like it's
RKTO could be another possibility too, because
there. It goes.
it's holding that $1.08 level.
There, look, it got a little push up. Let's see if it's gonna continue. RKTO still hanging in?
Yep, holding $1.08. $1.08, $1.09. Just chop action. $1.08, $1.09, $1.08, $1.09.
There we go.
PLPW.
There goes wrap,
No,
bro. Looking for a little
wrap
push
is
up
slow.
here. 218, 219. Needs to get
Yeah,
back
for
over
wrap, we want to
222.
see this break that. Yeah, break
222?
that 222 exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, those are big drops. It's raining heavy outside.
Is it? I haven't checked
Oh
outside.
yeah,
I'll be right back here.
you're on the complete opposite side of the city, so it might be not be there yet, or might have hit you first.
Maybe. I'll be right back.
220, it might break here. Wait, it might break here. 220. This is where you want to get. Are you gonna get in on this?
No, I'm not getting it on this. Not here.
Oh, okay.
I'll be
All right.
back.
No, go do your thing then. Yeah, do your thing. 218.5. That's a bit better. There broke 222 up to 224. We're doing 2 penny increments. Back down. Because we wanted it to break 220, it went up to 222. Wanted to break 222, went up to 224. Now, oh, it went up to 226, rejecting now. 219. Holding 220 levels at 223 now. Lots of support here at 223. On the screen, I know we're watching JLHL. JLHL is slowly making lower highs. Kind of squeezing here. Not enough volume. VRAX pulled back heavy, sitting at 1094. Excuse me. Can't stop yawning for some reason. CRC moving its way back up. This is a under dollar stock. It was sitting at 78.79. Its way back up to 81. A new high of day sitting at 81. RKTO is starting to fail from that 108 level like we were speaking before, down to 105. VRAX might squeeze here. Holding here at 1086. Let's see. 1081 is starting to fail. RAP WRAP hit new highs
Rap did it.
234.
Rap did its
Yeah,
thing, eh? As soon as I went to the
yeah.
washroom.
Up to I told you, bro. Like, no, wait.
Oh
Are
my
you gonna do
god.
it? No, I'm not gonna trade it.
Oh my
I
goodness.
said wait, bro.
You did. I knew it. It always works like that, you know. You leave away for a second, but
Legit, man.
yeah, I knew it was gonna pop at some point. We knew. If it,
It was just waiting for you to leave. That's what it was doing.
I, whoever got into the
He's
play,
gone.
you're welcome.
Okay, go. Pump.
Yeah. What the hell? It was just like, you can see the consolidation happening here on the 1 minute clean.
Yeah, so sideways there. It's
Yeah.
just I just didn't see the volume. MACD showed really well. As soon as it hit at 10:05,
Popped.
that little bounce at 2:08.
Yep.
Yeah, that would have been nice
I
entry
was
right
I
there.
was saying 205 entry was that wick earlier. You would have caught
Yeah,
a nice move. Yep.
yeah.
It would have taken a little while for it to pan out, but yeah.
That's okay. If you had a good like stop loss, or if you had
Look at
your
it
sitting
now.
there, you're managing
238.
your risk, then you would
Yeah.
have been. Oh
Yeah.
man.
It's 238. Look at that.
Yep. There it goes.
We're finding them today. You know?
Yeah.
Or-
Just took a little bit.
yeah. There's 3 plays actually. RKTO was
RKTO. RKTO is more of a you thing. I wouldn't have
yeah.
traded RKTO.
It's
It's too
like a
slow
little
for me.
grind. It's too slow.
It's
Yeah.
such a slow
We
grind.
found
Yeah.
Rap and then the big one.
Wrap Yeah, the
VRAX.
best one, VRAC.
VRAX
Oh
was the
man,
best one yet. You know, so the plays were there.
our KTO didn't do much today. It had it, you know. You could make some chop action up and down, but
Yeah, yeah.
rap, VRAC, so far plays of the day. VRAC's trying to climb back to 1113, 1101 now.
VRAX.
10. Oh, it's dropping. As soon as I said that, now it wants to drop. 10:7, 10:31. Look at that candle. It's about to go halt again, I think.
What, VRAX again?
If VRAX might halt down, yeah, it might.
It halted at 10:05 just a little while ago. Oh, sorry, no, it resumed at 10:05. It
Yeah,
halted
it
at
halted
10.
at 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hour. Hour is up on the scanner. What's going on there? Hour loop. Hour. HOU hour. 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 Just popping right out of VWAP. But I don't like this. I don't like the time in sales.
There is only
That's,
232,000 volume on that
yeah,
right now.
this one just looks not. It's not.
Very average volume of 69,000.
Yeah,
Its liquidity is not there. That is
it's
a
not there.
trap.
That's a trap. Yeah. RBNE popping up on the scanner.
That was a good market cap though, 76 million versus some of these other ones, 4 or 5 million market caps.
Yeah, let's see what's going on.
Oh, I don't have to water the plants or the grass today. That's good.
Oh, you don't have to?
Oh, it's raining really well today. It's been really
Oh,
dry past couple of days.
right,
Very
right, right.
humid. Yeah, I had a little project on the side in the front of the house. There's a center plant thing that I ended up taking out and replacing and putting grass. I've never done that before, so it was a little like new
New
learning
project.
project for me. I
Yeah.
was like, I see the grass growing, and I'm like, yeah,
It's real. It's real grass. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, thick bluegrass.
Sick. I think Rap is potentially here, setting up for another. Maybe not. Spoke too soon.
Maybe not. Yeah,
Let's see. See if it consolidates
MACD is
sideways.
showing like it's starting to reverse here, so it might have It's starting to pull back a little bit more. Has a little more room to pull back.
Hmm. Yeah. Let's see.
Just pulling back a little bit more. If it breaks 220, which is where our resistance was before,
Hmm.
that's where we're gonna see a drop again. But if it can hold 220, then that's good support.
It's trying to hold it right
Buyers are
now.
still holding it and still interested, so that's a good sign.
It's trying to hold it right now. Let's see. If you're tuning in, we're watching Rap right now. WRAP. And we're also looking at VRAX, VRAX, which had a
Yeah, VRAX starting to
monstrous
go back down.
move earlier this morning. It's a little
We're
bit
we
down.
were looking at a 300% high of day at $13.18.
Yeah, it's down since then, but
We're watching it from $5.70.
this morning, yeah. Here comes Rap. Ooh, JLHL
Pulling
with a
back.
little pop there. JLHL with a
Oh
nice little
wow,
pop.
new
Yeah,
high a day on JLHL. Very
yeah,
nice.
yeah.
527.
Yes, sir.
Using 510 as resistance. Let's see if it breaks 510 and holds. Back to 503.
What a day. Okay.
Broke 5, holding 5 on JLHL. Wrap working its way down to 220. Still holding 223. Let's see.
Trying to hold. Yeah. Might break that level though. Let's see.
People really selling off here. Noon did a huge pop earlier and then just came all the way back down.
What?
SUNE.
SUNE. Yeah. That pops up every now and
Yeah,
then on the thing. Oof. There goes Rap. It
it's
lost. It lost that.
constantly
It
getting
lost
back.
220. Rap just lost
Lost
220.
220. Yeah,
Yeah.
back down.
Coming back to VWAP. Yeah.
Next level support would be VWAP at 212.
It's trying to hold it right
breaking
here.
news.
JLHL popped up
Seller,
again.
seller's really coming in
Yeah. There's a
for
lot of
Wrap.
Rap buyers on VWAP.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Rap buyers on.
JLHL
This
looking
could
like
be.
it wants to pop back up.
Yep. I'm looking at Rap here. If it holds the VWAP,
VRAX.
could be a pop off VWAP for Rap.
It did show a lot of support at 208, like I was saying before when we were
Right.
watching it, 208, 209. So it could, yeah, it could potentially bounce off 212 or potentially go back down to 208, 209 and either hold or bounce. We are getting to that 10:30 area though, 10:30, 11, where volume
Things.
starts to die off with
Yeah.
lunchtime coming
Correct.
around.
Correct. What's going on with the market in general? What's going on? Let's quick check here. SpaceX is at 149 right now.
JLHL made a new high and then just gave it
Spy.
all back down to 470.
Spy's pushing up.
Oof. JLHL reaching down to VWAP from
What's
new high
JLHL?
of day. Wow. Yeah, JLHL. Hit new high of day, made two more candles, and all the way back down to almost VWAP.
Crazy.
Sitting at 470 now. It wicked almost to 457.
Let's see what we see here.
VRAX trying to make a move back up. CIRC, that under dollar stock that I was talking about earlier, making its way to $1 now. It's at 90, working its way from 76 cents when I was talking about it. Sitting at 48% of the day. That's not so bad. Good for those penny stocks. JLHL just gave it all back there. It's sitting at 449
I
now.
lost it all.
It's more than half, yeah.
Crazy.
It's at 46% of the day now. VRAX, like I said, trying to make a way back up now. 1067. It just needs volume to come in. Good bunch of buyers to come in, and this will pop back up. 1074. Got to break that $11 mark now.
Our KTO just popped back up. It's at $1 now. Jeez. Our KTO.
RKTO making new lows. 95. Yeah, it's going lower and lower.
I'm gonna look at wrap and see what it
Wrap
is.
bounce using 220 as resistance against them.
Yeah,
Use the VWAP as support.
yeah.
Now in a channel, I guess between 220 and 212. JLHL, I'm pretty sure they halted. So, yeah, JLHL halted on the way down. 449.
GLHO.
Yeah, halted on the downside. Wrap trying to hold support here between VWAP and 220, 212 and 220.
Wrap might be this might be
Back to
another leg
220.
up. I feel like this could be another leg up for wrap.
Entry point, yeah,
Yeah,
could be right after 220.
220. Yep.
Yeah, 222 area roughly would be a good entry. 221 is just you're risking for it to just drop back down. Not enough volume though.
It's yeah.
Volume really needs support in for this to
Well,
bounce.
yeah. The mornings. We're at 10, almost 10:30.
Yeah, we're almost at 10th. This is what I was saying earlier. Yeah, volume's gonna start dying off right now. Everybody's gonna go for lunch.
Yep.
People from the beach are coming back. Lunchtime.
The beach goers.
And we'll see. Yeah, 12:45, 12:30, 1 o'clock.
Hmm.
See volume start pouring back in. Usually, best times to trade after is usually power hour between 3 and 4.
That last little push.
Yeah, a lot of people trying to make their last little bit of money or selling off whatever positions they have left. Trying to make that green. Trying to be green. Green on the day is good. That's why I'm green go.
Green go, baby.
Uh, hit that 222 just for a second. Just not enough volume. Volume trickling in here. Let's see. 220 to 221. Back to 222 break, and it should pop up a little bit.
We get there's the pop,
There it is, 224.
but it needs to hold.
You just
This
need
I don't
more,
know if
more
there's
volume.
enough volume right now to
Not
take
enough
it where it
volume.
needs to.
Resistance at 225,
Soon,
quarter dollar
soon,
psychological level. So
soon is popping back up.
soon as
Yeah, back up on
soon
that.
looked like it wanted to do a
Yeah,
move.
soon.
It's just that candle, that bearish candle right afterwards. That's just a scary move to get into.
Yeah, there goes wrap.
Just
Wrap
asking for
wrap off
levels.
the
Energy
VWAP would
though,
have
you
been
know.
good. You got a
Yeah.
10, 15 cents move there, 7 cents move. Not much, but something. There goes wrap. Looking for another push. I think this it will find the next. This might be the next push.
227, 228. That's right. As soon as it
ICE
crossed
has breaking
222,
news.
it
Yeah,
hit 224, and then we're sitting at 226. Went up to 228. Trying to move up. There goes 230.
yeah. I think it's good. I think it's gonna make one push to about 250, and that might be it if it can get there. Let's see.
It's showing resistance at 238 though, so we really need volume to pour in.
Yeah,
Volume needs to come in heavy.
to get it past the high day. Yeah,
Yeah. Even to push it past 230. Volume's just not there. It's starting to come in though. It's not enough. It needs to surge.
We need more money.
Yeah.
We need more volume. Not bad session. We didn't, we saw some opportunities. Maybe missed a few executions, but
Made great calls though.
yeah,
Great
the
calls.
calls were there. You know, yep. No, it's not. It's not doing it, bro. It lost 220 again.
Yeah, pulling back heavy now.
That's it. I don't see much more going on. What do you think? Should we call it at
I
10:30?
think that's it. 10:30 is a good time to call it, basically.
Yeah, I think we call it today.
Not much moving.
We'll we'll reconvene tomorrow at 7 a.m. and
Yep.
yeah, join us here at Chart Club with myself and Jose, and we'll do it all again. Hopefully tomorrow we find some more opportunity. Tomorrow also SK Hynix, the South Korean stock, will be listed on the Nasdaq, so that should throw maybe some fireworks. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should have some more momentum tomorrow.
hmm Cool, man. Well, yeah. For those who joined us, thank you, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Everybody have a good day. See you tomorrow. Catch you later.
Later.